Yo. Alright, sorry.
What do you want to ride in, boss?
I don't care. Whatever you guys want to drive.
Sidecar.
Let's do it. Yeah, no, I'm just here for the ride. I know that Rex is coming, and so is Rookie. What up, Mixie? I'm gonna shut my radio off. I don't even need it on. Man, thank you for the tier 1 subscription, baby. 10 months in a row. Oh my God. What do you guys think about? Are you gonna take this old Ram here, or what else we taking?
Damn, I was just playing with it.
I don't care.
Yeah, we
Whatever
can
you
take this Ram
take.
and we'll take 2 vehicles. This
Shoot.
Ram and something else.
We can take. Yeah, I don't care.
Can never go wrong with a Tahoe or Durango.
Right? I don't care. You guys pick it. We'll rock it.
You can go wrong with the BMW if you got your antennas sticking up.
Yeah.
What radio channel are you in?
How
Tackle
did
one?
I just miss? I'm not in one at all.
What do you guys want to be in?
Whatever you guys want to do. I'll shut up.
I say tack one. Or
Why did I not see?
Wait,
What's up? Thank you
Yeah,
for the follow.
it's
For some
usually
reason, I heard the noise, but it didn't tell me who followed me. Oh, hey. How's my best friend doing? Oh, there it is. Boom, found it. I forgot. Every time I get rated by like
Loud and clear.
someone with like 700 like viewers or something, I'll get like 800 follows.
Actually,
Like,
I didn't hear you go through the radio, Nick.
it never stops.
Yeah, I
So
need
just
you.
shut it off.
Yeah.
Just waiting on Rex. All right, yeah. So we'll just have myself, Rookie, and Rex. That's just me plus 2 packs. So whatever you guys got to do to make that work, we'll do it.
Check mine.
Yeah. Please, Seawall. Man, please. Anything
So
funny?
you,
Anything?
us, plus
yeah,
one in there,
please.
plus 2.
Yeah, sure. Yep. Where is Rex at? There he goes. Oh, late as usual.
All right, I'll get a Tahoe.
All right.
Yesterday looks so nice.
Let's go down to the army base and get the attack helicopter.
Are you gonna get tinted?
Hilarious. Yeah, we're just waiting to get set up here. I probably should have waited a couple more minutes before I went live, but I said screw it. We'll do it. Let's see here. Oh, Tyler, I'm riding this. I'm gonna ride in this daggum Dodge. I'm not gonna lie to you. Can you take that cage off?
Yeah, I'll take it off.
Heck yeah,
I
man.
think.
This
Pretty
thing
sure
is
it's in the
sick,
toilet.
man.
And I'll close those for you.
Yeah, hell yeah. I want to see the other side. Hang on. Oh, heck yeah. This is cool as heck.
I'm a 12 gauge in there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, of course you do there, Mr. Dutton.
I'm telling you what.
You gotta chase off those Indians.
That brings the pain. I'm telling you, straight up.
I feel you. I miss the days where we had a shotgun.
Can't go wrong with the
Hey,
pump.
you gotta wear white, Goofy. You're a captain.
I don't have to.
You do. This guy. Everything's optional.
Why is he arguing with you?
Because he's Rex. Have you met
Huh.
Rex? What up, Kenny?
Huh.
Ready for court, boy? Ah, this guy. He's something else. Yeah. Dude, this truck is sick, man.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
but
like
you
it.
can't remove the cage.
Oh, that's all right. No worries.
There you go.
There you go. Shut off.
That truck country as hell.
What are you doing?
Hold on, you gotta open up the
Mhm.
trunk there.
Why do we look
Getting
exactly
ready.
alike?
Go look at that.
We
12
don't?
gauge.
Do wait for it.
Why is it not open?
Pretty close. I need to fix
Not
my,
close enough.
I need to go see the doctor about my eyebrows. Like, get them higher.
True that.
They're starting to sag.
like
All
a
the stress from the
caveman.
office, you know.
I was
We need-
stressed from these nitwits.
We need
Yeah.
somebody dressed like judo so we can have a decoy.
Yeah, that's hilarious. Rex, put your hat on. Rex,
hat.
they might think I'm Rex. It's 202.
Bro.
202 is the hat.
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
What channel we gonna do this thing on?
SASP.
Get ready to roll.
That would make the most
BMW.
logical sense.
Who the heck is this?
Look, why's he got a beamer that
Who
looks
this
like?
is? Who this is?
Hey, it's Wayne.
What up, boy? How you get a Beamer, son?
What's up,
Boy.
man? The money we make from confiscating cash from drug dealers.
Oh my
This
god.
beamer look like the rich housewives of Los Santos.
That's
Yeah.
hilarious. Look at the roof. It's so bougie, ain't it?
It's not bad.
This is sick. I figured you'd drive something like this. It matches you though. I'll be real. If there was a car I could draw that was like, hey, this is Wayne, this is it.
It's because you know I'm classy, right?
Yeah, for sure, for sure.
Mm-hmm. But you left me.
What do you mean I left you?
Oh, you know. The whole engagement.
Bro, what do you wait, no, that's on you.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Rex.
I got
You're
another
engaged?
message that just
What's up,
said,
dog?
Hey,
It's
He-
fair to
he
say I
was.
tell you everything, right?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Have I ever said that I broke off the engagement with this one?
With that one?
Yeah, with Wayne?
Good call. He's pretty ugly.
Oh my god, that's not the question. My lord. Good lord.
Who said it? You all look the same. Which one said it?
Your mama.
Yeah, mama, that's blue.
That
I
was
need my
pretty rude.
glasses
What are you,
back, I'm not
12?
gonna lie.
Yeah, no, I
Yeah,
need my
12
glasses,
inches
too.
deep.
Oh my goodness.
I didn't say anything.
Someone's been drinking on duty again, huh?
Yep, imagine that. At least they're not doing drugs.
Oh my!
Snap. Shots
Oh
fired.
my god.
Did you guys see those bees? There's
Weapon
bees.
takes off is
Bees.
loose.
What's he talking about
Bees.
bees? What's he talking about bees?
He might be on drugs.
He probably is.
What do you want, a convoy of MRAPs to go down there?
Nah, dog. I just wanted to
Bro, we're
make sure
pulling on
that,
a Vic.
that we
Let me
get
go
down
pull
there,
up the
get some
Vic.
court security, and we have a good
You are basic enough to drive a Vic, Rex.
All right, we ready to roll? Let me see if they're ready to roll.
I'm gonna give you this evidence.
Uh-oh.
Day one in court tonight, and then I'm gonna go.
Are we ready?
You ready?
Yeah.
That's the
I-
question.
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do this thing.
Hey, we're here for you.
Let's blow this popsicle stand.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Mount up.
Court tonight.
Uh-huh.
They asked somebody to bring it, so I've already gotten it out of the locker.
Am I supposed to be in the front or the back? Does it matter?
Does he have a bow tie?
Who?
Yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Sonic,
You the boss.
Sonic, let's go.
Yeah.
Sonic.
Sonic.
pick a car.
Pick a car, any car. Get in.
They got one more seat. What do they need? One of them is gonna have to pop in here.
Yeah, me too. I want to go get it once I put it in the
Oh wait,
truck.
no.
You just
One
gave
in the
me
Ram.
a bat, and you gave me handcuff keys,
You want to lead this party, Wayne?
a lockpick, and a hatchet.
Yeah, sure. Yo, you guys, you hopping in, Hodges, or?
All right. Yeah. I had to get the evidence for court. I'm the official court evidence collector guy.
Is it Evelyn?
She
You coming?
coming?
You coming?
Are you,
You coming?
Sadie,
What's-
you coming?
Sadie, you coming?
Oh, shoot. I gotta take this call.
What? What the heck?
She ain't got no shoes on.
All right.
I have a tux on.
All right, you ready? You guys ready?
We're ready.
Oop, I gotta. Yeah. Whatever. Whenever you guys ready.
Is court still in the same spot?
Polito.
Oh, it's the one right up the street now. That's right.
Yeah,
I ain't been to
dude.
court yet. People don't contest my charges.
Trust me,
Whoa.
it ain't beautiful,
Whoa.
brother.
How you doing, buddy? Can I get the
Was that a
large
was that a
soda,
shot at me? Was that a shot at me?
Who?
He said people don't contest my charges. Is that a shot at me?
I
Here you
hope
go,
not.
Chad.
I mean, I got this big bumper on there. We could tap him. Just see.
Yeah, just give him a little love tap. Let him know. Yeah, this is going to be interesting. We're a little early. I forgot that the courthouse got moved up here. I'm not going to lie. It looks like he's a construction worker with those wig wags in the back, don't it?
Yeah. Want to do some road work? They got some potholes. Look, there's one.
Might be like one of the mob bosses that show up to construction sites, wig wags, just to say it's for work purposes. Tax write-off, you know. I love the fact that the courthouse is up here now. Well, thank you, sir.
Hold on.
Oh, I already hit it.
There you
My
go.
bad. Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey, Judo.
How are you, bud?
I'm doing great. Doing fantastic.
You have court today?
Yeah, I have been told to come here by the courts.
Oh, wonderful.
Hey, did you hear I'm on bail?
No.
You're on,
I
you're
did.
out on
What up,
bail.
Hunter?
Yep, I'm on bail.
I don't see that person.
Pretty cool.
You ready, Turd?
That's pretty cool, man.
Yes, sir.
Wait, where are you? What?
Okay, I've never been in this courthouse. Have you?
I have before, just walking around. I think the
Where's
courtroom's
the
this
courthouse, man?
way. Oh boy.
Oh
Where am
boy.
I going?
Who brought
Yeah,
this
where are we
guy?
going?
What are
happened
you
to the hair
doing?
on the back
here,
of
man?
your head, man?
Hey! I get it cut with it and cleaned up with a straight razor.
You probably
Okay.
get it surgically put on too.
Not like your head.
You
Weirdo.
say to me, "I'm not afraid to beat the brakes off you in a courthouse."
Oh, you want
Listen.
to find out how funny that is?
Objection!
It's probably a bad idea. They're bear.
It's a really bad idea.
Hey, whoa.
It's
Are
never
you-
a bad
Are
idea.
you threatening
I
bear?
stand up for what is right.
Yeah, threatening bear.
And you know what I'm gonna do?
What's that?
I'm gonna sue you.
Oh,
Would
okay.
you just? Would you just?
Oh, no.
Would you just?
Another
would
court
you-
case. What's wrong with your court case?
Yeah,
Clean
I'm
it
gonna
again?
sue you into the
All right. Well, hey,
defamation case. You know what I'm saying?
D what?
What'd you call that?
Whatever that thing is called. You know where the
What do you
flame
call it?
things go,
Did
the
he
fire
call
and stuff,
the
arson.
flame?
I honestly, I think.
I think he was trying to
say.
say.
Did he say?
Define.
Go ahead.
What?
I thought he said.
Defamation?
I thought he said
Okay,
dedomination.
Domination.
Like, is he talking about thumbs right now? What's he talking about?
You
Yeah.
know when you say bad stuff about me, then I go like bang bang, and then you go boom boom, and then, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
Defamation.
Oh,
that thing.
defamation.
Yeah, man. Yeah. See, I'm kind of a wordsmith. You know what I'm saying? I'm really good at my English.
I don't know if I call you a wordsmith. I call you a turdsmith for sure because you play around with turds, you know.
This is
I
a
do
lot of
not play
cops.
with turds.
Come on,
What
you're
is-
a bear.
you know
what
what?
bear doesn't play with
I eat
turds?
pieces of turds like you for breakfast.
Yeah, that's my point. You just
All
proved
right,
my
hold
point.
on. Everybody, hold on. Let's just take a moment to observe this man's hairline in the back. I don't even know what that is.
What's wrong with my hairline?
I don't even know what that is.
Why are we attacking our own? Sorry.
Yeah,
sorry,
we're on
go
our own
away.
side. We're the same side.
Honestly, all three of you
yeah,
have probably
but
the
I
worst hair I've
can't-
ever seen in my life, including you, old man. I don't even know who you are. You the judge?
That's the judge, bro.
I'm sorry.
I love it.
Anyway, all
I
three
love
are
it.
the worst hairline.
Insult
Go
the
ahead,
judge.
Go ahead, keep
boy.
it up.
What
Hey,
did
bro.
you call me?
Your Honor, he's
He
a
Oh,
called
turd.
no.
you. He called
said
you
you-
a
no.
turd, Your Honor. You are a turd.
Oh,
Sorry.
gosh.
Me and this judge have
I'll
history.
hammer you to the wall back there.
Oh man, gosh.
Man, I'm
Oh,
sorry, bro,
oh.
but what
Hey,
the?
Who
take
knew
him to
court
court.
was so
He just
violent?
threatened you. Take him to court.
No civil cases in the state at this time.
Just think
Oh my
about it though,
gosh,
right?
That's
You
hilarious.
got one with like a bolt.
Hey, look, see, this is how it works. Is I skin you and I place you between the,
Oh my
two flags
God.
there, and then
This is the
Mm,
got a
judge.
bear in
do
the
it.
courtroom now.
Your
That'd be-
Honor.
that'd be-
Cap,
Hey, you
Cap,
do
that's a
something.
good fine.
Your
man.
Honor.
Cap,
Ju-
that's a
judges
good
aren't
fine.
supposed to talk
Oh,
like
yeah.
that.
Oh yeah.
How
Oh,
you
yeah.
doing?
Yeah, what's
What in
I
the world
agree.
is going on in this?
Okay.
world?
See you later,
Man.
turd.
How you doing?
Sorry.
All right, do we want to
You,
go outside and wait for
hmm.
Green to get here and talk trash?
You doing anything after
Yeah.
this?
I
Yeah,
got
Oh,
sure.
a
absolutely.
I'm not.
What'd you say?
Where do you
Was
have
that
the
Hurt
turd?
me. Turn your
Was that
hearing
right?
aid up.
I can't. You're old. Speak up.
You're old. Speak up. What's
I
that
said
got to
turn
do
your
with it?
damn hearing aid up.
Before I flew over into this
Daggum.
nice new city,
Thank you.
Yeah, the
What is happening out here?
and he said, "What's your name?"
Court is a madhouse.
Oh, he had to go there.
Who's that? Keller?
That's good.
No.
Nice parking spot. How are you?
The car. Some of these cars are going to have to get pushed away here in a second anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes
What you
sense.
get into? You ready? This is literally a rock and a hard place. It's you, my dad, and then why are you
Wait.
fighting my daughter?
Wait,
I'm also
wait,
your dad.
Wait,
Uh-oh.
wait. Wait. Did you DNA test her?
We talked.
No,
about
we
this.
need to still go do this stuff.
We're gonna have to get this judge ordered, dude, because you clearly cannot set up appointments.
Oh my god. What? It's not just a me thing, Dad. Like it's both of us.
We're talking about your daughter because she has
Oh my god.
this court case is gonna be very weird for you.
That's what I'm saying.
Well, I don't think she's yours, or I'm like.
Well, I guess we'll find out after this court case. We'll go from there.
Right. Can we just stop mentioning the fact that she's your daughter?
No, not until it's proven.
But she's
I
older
feel-
than
I feel-
you.
We have
Oh.
to. Oh shit! What?
She's older than him.
That doesn't make
What?
any sense.
Like he's the type of person when he has like two, like a white guy, white girl, and then out pops a blue baby, and he's like, oh, it's totally mine.
God.
John Wayne. He's a washed up one.
Jesus Christ.
Not even close.
Hey, don't bring up the Sky
No,
Tyrant. He
he
didn't
arrested.
get involved in this.
No, I arrested you once. I did.
Big facts. Big facts.
Yeah. So your daughter's older than you? Kelly, I don't know if this checks out.
Stop.
Yeah.
You ask her how old she is. I'll ask. I'll have him ask.
How old are you?
Because
I'm 29.
Bob and he's
Dog, she's in her 30s.
What the heck?
She's not your daughter.
What the heck?
You never asked your daughter's age?
What do you got this?
What a gullible fella.
He is pretty gullible.
It's the BS golly.
So
Hey, what's your
salty.
name?
Gullible?
So,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
I
you're
don't-
gullible.
So, I don't
What's your
think
name?
there's I'm Angel.
No, not her.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Wait, how dare you?
Angel, don't you have a sister?
How dare you?
This is why I show up on radio.
Oh, it's
Tone your ass,
fantastic.
Tone.
Oh. Wait, what'd you say?
Is that
I was
cat
asking if you had a
that-
sister.
I do.
She's got too much money for me.
Let me see.
I
She's
met your sister.
she's a bad person.
Her name.
Yep, she's a
Sweetheart.
baddie.
Oh my god.
Oh, she bad?
Yeah.
I was getting her.
Like gang violence bad.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, I gotta read this
Exactly.
report
Yeah.
in court today.
Yeah.
Just what you're looking
I'm
for.
not looking
To
at
break this
Gang
clipboard over your
violence.
head kind of bad.
285 is what I'm looking for.
Brother.
Records.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
What's
we go.
Polar Bear doing here?
I think he's,
Bear.
let's go. I'm mad now.
Bear, what are you doing here?
What are you doing here, Bear?
Dude, this is such a long report.
In the
What do you mean?
What even happened, Judo?
Hey, what? What do you mean?
Oh my God.
What happened?
Bear
Why,
wasn't
why is
there.
there a court case between you two?
With Viv?
Bear is.
Yes.
Bear's
She
Yeah.
smart.
murdered.
Today?
She murdered her therapist because he said that she couldn't be.
Homewrecker.
Oh, look at this dirtbag. Oh, say it to my face. Say it to my face.
Hold on, Colonel, hold on.
I did nothing wrong, sir.
Uh-huh.
I did nothing wrong, sir.
We'll see.
I like your top hat, man. That thing's sweet.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Don't compliment him. He's called me a homewrecker.
Hey, honey.
Oh my God, look at his
Yeah.
nasty face. Put
I
the
don't
fake
think
one
you
back
need
on.
a DNA test
What did
anymore.
you just say to me?
Judas,
said-
your
What-
dad.
What's that? Hey, what's that nasty thing on your neck?
No, he doesn't
It's
want
not yours.
I don't know.
Yeah, see,
What is
he
the
doesn't
nasty
want
thing on
me.
the
Back.
Your head.
Still your biological
Ah.
dad. Means I can't feel the same, right?
Rude.
What did I do now? Oh, bow tie.
Hey, homewrecker.
Hey, cat.
Bow tie.
Hold me.
What's he
got going on? Looks like
John
Wilkes
Booth holding him.
and Tesla
had a kid, and
that's what
I'm holding you.
I love
You guys know it's
Oh
like
my
80
God, you're
degrees
really
out
holding
here, right?
him.
I
What?
love you
No.
too,
Listen.
Bear.
It was just
I mean,
snowing yesterday.
I know I'm
It's
CID.
freezing.
Obviously, I did
I'm
know the weather's too hot for that
shivering.
jacket.
It's not. It's December almost. It was snowing earlier.
It's not
I'm
December
shivering.
until like 10:30 tonight.
I'm shivering.
It's okay. Hey,
shivering. You might
Why
have,
does
like,
Wayne look like he's on
poor
Miami
circulation or
Vice?
something. Why do you look like there's no
'cause
ring
he
on your
is.
finger anymore?
What, dude?
Oh.
Listen, I put the ring on yours because you're the girl.
calm down, 5-0.
That's why you
I'm
keep
still
bringing
waiting
it
for my
up.
alimony. Making all that
Alimony
money.
for
Oh
what?
my God.
He didn't.
You got a promotion
Oh, it's
out of
funny.
it, okay?
It's funny. All my friends knew about you.
You have friends?
Seems
My
I was
friend
just a
Rex.
stranger.
Rex, tell him you knew
Oh
about
my
us.
God! Can you just put your parrot in a cage somewhere?
Whoa. I'm not okay with that.
Right there, buddy. Right there.
Not nice, sir.
Right there, buddy. You know where to shove it.
I unlocked the cage. Let him have it. Let him have it. Let him have it.
Oh.
You want to do this again?
Hey, Captain. Yeah,
Yeah,
Peacock's
what's
got
up?
a lot of
What's up? She murdered
I'll do it anytime
her
you want, buddy.
therapist.
I don't know, you just pointed at him as he came in.
Hey,
Alright,
Rex, you
so
want this clipboard?
2 limos.
She murdered. Oh, they showed up in a limo,
Yeah,
y'all.
get
Oh,
that
look at this. Look at this limo.
Oh,
Look at this limo.
Look at this limo. Look at this limo. I was thinking the same thing. Look at
There
this.
you go.
Look at this
Who's in
right
this
here.
limo? Who's in these limos?
Oh, imagine that. Kenny's driving
Oh
again.
boy.
Take a look at this.
Oh, yeah, I found it. It's right back here. It's right back here, right up.
Imagine that. Kenny's driving again, huh? What's up, Seawall? Don't play that right now. No, it's like 4 minutes long.
I wonder if he's still in love with her. Oh.
Goofy.
Is your sister over there?
Look at him. Look at him.
I don't even know what to say. Like, they actually look nice.
They do, don't they?
They really actually do.
I know. Now you know
Like,
how
who
you
knew
can get tricked into their eyes. You know.
Yes,
Don't look at their hair
yes.
either. The hair will just sap you right in.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. So you're not wrong. Like that hair just does pull you right in, doesn't it?
It does.
So,
What's up?
Hey, buddy.
What are we doing?
When does this start?
In like supposed to be in like 3 minutes.
Holy cow.
Should we start going inside?
Well, I've been kind of waiting for them to come by here. I want to
Where's that one deputy?
talk a little smack, if you know what I mean. Smacky smack.
Oh my god.
Get the one with the white hair.
Oh, you're good, bro. No worries.
You guys gonna let me go to court or what?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Y'all are making like a little wall, so.
Oh no, we're just saying hi. Oh, you can't say hi. Okay. All right. Rude.
What a wall.
How am I supposed to say hi to you right now?
It's not my fault you murdered somebody.
I didn't murder anybody.
What are you going to tell me you're in your 30s?
Oh yeah.
Dad.
Wants to talk to you. Dad wants to talk to you.
Allegedly.
You're not my son.
What?
That's what he was just telling me.
Why is he yelling?
We need DNA test.
I don't know.
Ask her. Ask her. How old are you, Viv? How old are you?
wait a minute, did he
I'm
crash? Has he got a black
27.
eye?
Okay. So you had a kid at 2 years old, Keller, huh? Is that what you're telling me?
Oh.
Maybe. Who knows? You weren't
Oh
watching me.
my God.
I was a baby.
My
Like-
god.
Crawl around.
Oh my
Like almost
god.
Wow. We should probably go inside now, yeah?
Oh yeah. Who put this Nimrod in charge?
Bunch of green right here.
Go ahead, Green. We'll follow
Hey,
after
don't
you
talk
guys.
to him like that.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, he said we couldn't be together.
I have a lot of emotions running through me
Are
right
you
now.
okay? Are you okay, Keller?
All right, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
Why are you like 8'12" right now?
Well, hurry up.
Say 8'12". Wouldn't that be 9 foot?
Why is she
Alright,
patting
you
everybody
gotta be
down?
down first.
Hey, why are these guys down to be pat down?
They got guns on them.
Oh hey boys, how we doing?
Hey, how you doing? Oh, y'all spiffy up.
I gotta take my hat off.
So, you're just gonna tell him that you love me and we're gonna drop all this, right?
What did I just walk into?
What'd you do for breakfast today?
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean? What'd you do for breakfast today? What'd you have?
I had some eggs.
Oh, you didn't have some fruity pebbles or something?
Thanks, Archie.
No, I would have
Appreciate
fruity
it.
pebbles.
Wow, I don't know.
Hey, so which side does the winner sit on?
This one.
I can't tell him that.
The green
The
side.
opposite of where you're gonna sit.
Yeah. Well, defense is usually on the left.
Imagine that. The seats are green. I wonder why
Defense
that
is usually on the left. Prosecution's typically on the right. Just saying.
I'm doing
Yeah,
well.
do we
sir.
sit in
Would you
the-
like the evidence for this case?
I think I need
I can't tell him that.
it to the jury for me.
Why?
I don't think it'd be quite frankly
You
very
know why.
She guys eat and drink.
a good chain of custody for
But you
the
do admit it.
attorneys to have the
I
evidence
never
in
admitted anything.
on their
Joe,
person.
don't have to answer to her right now.
Okay.
Just,
All right.
you know.
I will try to find somebody. I'm not gonna be here the whole time.
I'm not
Can't
gonna
believe
answer
this.
to her.
Find someone that
You
can-
going
Yeah.
to leave halfway?
Can't believe this right now.
You don't want to hear what I have to say?
Is that true?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You,
Quite
how
frankly.
You okay?
Sorry, I made a huge, big.
I mean,
effort.
you're
Where are we
destroying my
sitting? Where do
life
you want
right
to sit
now
at?
and you're lying.
What up, dude? How you doing?
the
Dude, I didn't even get notification of your raid, bro. What up, man? Because I shut off sound alerts when somebody played it in the middle of the scene. I'm sorry.
What's
Thanks
up?
for the raid,
Why is he
homie.
lying?
Prosecution.
I can't wait, dude.
I don't know. She's pretty crazy. So who
Man,
knows?
I love the raid
Excuse
noise too
me?
that I put in here, bro.
No,
Welcome
no,
in, man. I
no,
appreciate
no.
everybody.
Did you want to say something?
Okay,
okay. Prosecution
Say
is on
it
my
ain't
left.
so.
Hey, watch
Whoa.
Yeah.
The
Hold on
defendant
court.
is on the
Hold on
right.
court.
Right. Yeah, stage left.
What'd you
go
say?
sit in
Defense
this-
is where?
It's on his.
Over here. This
Defense is on the right. Prosecution is
Okay.
on my left.
Well,
I guess we just go sit up here.
Yeah, I'm Tart. Yep. Heck yeah, man.
Your Honor.
Appreciate you, noob.
Yes,
I
sir.
can't-
Have a great one,
can't
buddy. I
sit
appreciate
these
you,
streams.
man.
Yep, I want the
How'd the
state
stream go,
on that
good?
side, and then the defendant on that side.
Good sir. We're on the
You're
other
on the other
side,
side.
Colonel. Colonel
What?
on the other side.
We're on the other side?
Yeah, we're on the other side.
Oh. Well, why, make up your mind.
Actually, hey, he's in the back. He's in the back.
Can I go on the roof?
Madam, you're on the wrong side.
No. Oh.
Yeah. Where's the state's attorney at? Where's Trump at?
He's over there in the
Over
corner.
there.
Okay, let me go ask a question.
They won't let you. You just gotta, you know, fake it till you make it.
Where's that noise coming from? Hey, oh, sorry.
Do you have any extra questions you think of? Just
They seem to be having a private conversation.
Good, great. How are you?
I'm good.
You boys ready?
You're.
Got this, Dad.
They forgot to bring us extra chairs,
Thanks,
so
son.
we just had to put our.
Why is Keller sitting on the ground?
Yeah, I mean, with our state budget right now, I can see why.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what's with the patrol cars having a bunch of bees in them?
Dude, I don't have a clue.
Yo, ask Ricky,
what's
dog.
going on with the bees, bro. Ricky, he don't work here no more.
No, I think you said rookie.
Oh,
Said Ricky
rookie.
or rookie?
Every time
said
you ride with that guy, you got bring like
Listen.
bee spray.
Yeah, rookie. What's with the bees? Let me go talk to the prosecutor real quick.
Saw that evidence room.
Hey, fellas, how are you?
Huge, I'm doing great. How are you, sir?
I need to give you evidence.
Great, guys. How are you all?
Well,
Doing very well. You said something
No.
about evidence?
Yeah, it goes to Trump, I think.
No, Trump said he wants somebody to present it, and
Mr.
you're gonna
Trump?
be here, and I was told to give it to you.
How you doing,
It
sir?
would, it would be inappropriate for the attorneys
Gimme.
to possess the evidence Sherry supporting.
Hey, watch this attorney.
Are you judo?
Awesome. Yes, sir.
Hey, why
Yes,
is
sir. I
his
am.
face so wrinkly?
101.
Yes, sir.
There he is.
I appreciate
the
you,
best
sir.
report writer I've ever met. I'll tell you boys something.
love
If
this
you
guy.
want to know something about rewriting reports, you can talk to 101 Judo. Huge. I'll tell you, huge. Quite frankly, maybe the best report I've ever seen. I know everything about
He's
reports.
so good at it. Well, thank you, sir. I much appreciate it. It's an honor to meet you.
Huge. It's an honor to meet you too, sir. I
about
love
to go
you.
back and
I
read
love
them
your
all?
department, the state police. I tell you, they do a great job. A huge, great job.
Thank you, sir. I love this so much.
God would do such a huge job.
Huge. It's tremendous.
Huge. It's huge.
Huge.
If only everyone would do their jobs like you would do, I'll tell you, we'd have no
You're
problems
so good
ever.
at that voice.
Huge.
What's up, farmer kid?
no, there's no eating in court. Here, I have a granola bar.
Yes, sir.
You could eat it before we start.
I know. I
I
got
was
Trump
gonna
for a
ask,
lawyer. It's a Trump card.
I'll sneak it into
Your attorney here. Where do you reside from?
Oh, yeah.
I
Here, here.
technically
I'm
am from
I'm
New
gonna hand
York.
it behind me.
New York,
Okay.
but I'll tell you, I live right now in Florida. I spent some time in Washington D.C. I'll tell you, if you've ever heard of the White House, been to the White House, seen the White House, that was my house. Huge, quite frankly, the White House.
Wait, you were you were like
Bro,
lived there?
Catch
there?
up on times.
Is
This is former.
Is this the president?
Yes, former
What?
President Trump. What's wrong with you? We have
Oh
the
my
Trump card as
gosh,
our state's
no.
attorney right now. Our
Huge,
prosecuting attorney. What's wrong
sometimes I
with you?
wake
We
up and
can't-
it blows my mind too, but I'll tell you,
We can't lose.
you never lose.
No,
I'll
you
tell
can't
you,
lose. You're gonna
I'll
win
tell
so
you,
much you
winning-
get tired of winning. Right? Is that right, Mr. Trump?
Winning
So
is
big.
easy.
It's gonna be so big.
People will tell you, they'll tell you winning is hard, and I disagree. I'll tell you, winning's easy. Losing is the hard part. I'll tell you, you can't lose.
Colonel, you might make millions and millions and
Huge.
millions
Yeah,
off this case.
I'm so excited. I don't know if I
Big
can
dollars.
win money off of a case, but if it's possible, he's the guy to do it.
I know.
Big bucks, no whammies. I'll tell you, I love that show.
He's got me. He's got me
Uh-oh,
good.
Judge is here.
All
I
right.
mean, you're walking like Joe Biden, about to fall over.
Allegedly.
Hey,
We're
make
just,
sure you
uh,
drink, okay?
We're waiting for the jury.
I'm gonna turn off my radio.
Braden's the
Huge, Your
judge,
Honor,
I
can you
know.
hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can hear you. I
Where's
don't
our
know
defense
if
attorney
the chief public defender is here, but he did notify me and tell me that he might be a brief, momentary bit late.
Don't throw up.
We gotta
Hey,
wait for the
Mr.
jury anyway. And then,
Just
He's in the
breathe in
lobby.
like Teddy told me to.
Huge. I understand. Thank you.
He just keeps saying
Just want
huge.
to make sure he didn't miss it.
Smithers, what up, baby? Thanks for the 100 biddies. Yeah, I won't lose, bud. This is slam dunk. If the scene wasn't an hour long, I would play some of it for you guys. But if you watch, then you remember She admitted everything, so. You're supposed to be on the freaking jury. Hannah, that lady over there in the green hair, murdered her therapist. And we caught her when she was trying to hide the body.
I think they open.
He looks like a Ted Bundy guy, man. The guy in the shorts.
Like, where am I supposed to sit? I gotta stand for this whole thing?
You got
Oh, it's
this,
all good,
Judo.
bro. No worries. Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
Thanks, son. I appreciate you.
Yep.
Who's that guy? Is that Day Day? I haven't seen him in his whites.
All right, and everybody from the jury is good. We're all present.
There's bees outside. You can hear them. It's buzzing.
Hey, Judge.
Oh my God.
Do not let him in.
Yes.
I will spray him.
Shush
Good
it,
to see you
Tiddles.
again, sir.
Hello. All right. I think we're just waiting for the defense, and then we will. Once the defense is ready. State, are you ready?
Huge, quite frankly, I wake up ready, Your Honor.
Oh my god.
Where's Vin's lawyer?
Guys behind me, sit down.
That's a really good question.
I'll represent you.
Tiddles, shut up.
Oh my god. I didn't get a
I watched
perm.
What's up, Frost?
I watched
Welcome and thank you for the
Suits.
follow.
this, Judo.
You can't handle the truth. See? I'm good.
Tiddles. Go Avalanche. Oh boy. Someone getting the attorney? I mean, what are we doing here?
Oh, hey, Dan. Good, how you doing?
How come he gets to wear a bear mask and we can't?
All right, we're just waiting here. Hopefully this starts soon. Is that her attorney? Oh boy.
Is that defense attorney?
All right, how's it going, Mr. Frank?
Oh boy.
Oh,
it's going.
my God.
All right.
Tamagotchi is finally to bed, so I think we
I
should
mean,
be
they
good to go.
are green
Do you
gang,
need a
so
couple
it kind of makes
minutes or
sense
you-
why he's like that.
You are so loud.
Is he ready?
We're in a courthouse.
I can't hear. It echoes.
No, we're good to go. We're ready to go.
All right.
What up, Wiggy?
Um,
Hey, someone give a shout out to Wiggy here. I mean, everybody knows who Smither is. Amazing
Sorry,
RP
guys,
here.
just
But Wiggy's
needing some
another great
chips. I'm good to go.
streamer in the city.
Good. All right. Well,
Love me some Wiggy.
Statement. You may begin.
Huge, thank you.
See, while you give a shout out to Officer Wiggy,
Ladies and gentlemen, terrific people of the jury, thank you so very much for being here. Today we're dealing with a really, really sad situation.
What's up,
A
Greek?
tremendous tragedy involving Miss Gray and you know, the Mr. Bald. It's a situation that nobody wanted, believe me. So we're talking about a therapist, Mr. Bald, a good guy, I've heard. Everybody's saying he was a great therapist, but folks, things took a turn, a big turn, a huge turn. A turn nobody expected, especially Mr. Bald. We're gonna look at
Dev.
how Miss Gray, allegedly
You're
a
good, Siwa.
patient supposedly seeking help, turned things upside down in this so-called therapeutic relationship. Huge. A relationship, from what I hear, got real complicated real fast. Super complicated. And people, we're not just talking about a murder here, let me tell you. You're going to hear about a potential love triangle, folks. You've heard about those, right? I think. Like a soap opera, the days of our lives, the young and the restless, I'll tell you, unfolds here tonight.
He's great.
I'll tell you, quite frankly, I'm pretty sure the defense, they'll talk about
I need Trump to ride with me on duty.
their alleged relationship between Miss Gray and the arresting officer, Colonel Judo, 101 of the state police, who, by the way, did a tremendous job arresting her. He got caught up in this thing, I'll tell you. Jealousy and all of it. Possibly a smear campaign, I don't know. It's like something out of a movie, and believe me, I've seen a lot of movies.
He's great, dude.
We're gonna go through the facts, the timeline, and some people are saying a lot of things. But some people, you know, we've really got to get to the bottom of this. We've got to figure out what really happened. Was it jealousy? I don't know. Was it something else? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But I, the Donald Trump, am quite frankly very confident, very hugely confident that by the end of this trial, you'll see the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Miss Gray, Mr. Bald, and Colonel Judo. It's a complicated story, but I'll tell you, we're going to get to the bottom of it. We're going to do what's right, folks. We're going to get justice for Mr. Bald. We're going to find Miss Gray guilty tonight. That's what we're looking for. Thank you, beautiful, beautiful people of the jury. I love you. And the state's
all right, bro.
With our opening statements. Huge.
Good job, Mr. Trump.
All right, defense. Start your opening statement.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, tonight I want to first say thank you for appearing here. It's greatly appreciated. So as the state pointed out, yes, we're going to get to the truth. We're going to get to the bottom of this. And what we're going to get to is the mere fact that my client, Miss Gray,
Dan, your phone is
taking
ringing.
advantage of
Dan,
she had a therapist in which she trusted her heart and feelings with.
How do I shut off my
and
phone?
turn those against her. You have a relationship she was in that she was all committed for, and it turned against her, and it was used against her. And it's sad to see that in a city full of great, loving, and caring people, that an innocent woman and kind-hearted woman who put feelings and trust into certain people just don't care about that, throw it away, and use it against her. Tonight we're going to show you, just like the state said, the facts of how this relationship and relationships
Rex,
were
good
used and
try,
abused
bucko.
and used to harm my client. And quite frankly, I'm disheartened that Miss Gray has had to go through this. It's sad to see this. It's sad to see somebody take advantage of another human being. Quite frankly, it rocks me to my very core.
Freaking
like
Rex.
the state said, it's about facts, and we're going to prove those facts, and we're going to prove to you about how she was emotionally abused and taken advantage of, and no one, quite frankly, deserves that. Thank you for your time.
The bacon curtains? No, I didn't notice that till now. They do look like bacon.
That was really good.
All right. State. Any witnesses you may have?
Oh, God, here we go.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much. And I'll tell you.
Should have got a drink of water for all this.
Here, if you just give me 1 second. I do think we'd like to call the one and only, the head of the San Andreas State Police himself, the 101 Colonel Judo. Hold your applause, everybody. Colonel Judo, would you take the stand?
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Judo, if you'd raise your hands for me.
Yes, sir.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, now you may be seated, I guess.
Huge, I'll tell you. Thank you so much for being here, Colonel Juno. We very much appreciate you and your undying, wavering commitment and service to the state and the people of San Andreas. It's huge, quite frankly, unmatched.
Yes, sir, absolutely.
Yes, sir. Can you please give me just a brief synopsis of your interactions with Mrs. Gray leading up to the incidents in question, please?
Yes, sir. Are you talking about of that day or the previous ones?
I guess we'd say some of the previous ones. You don't have to go full into detail. The things that might be relevant to you.
What's up, Faye? Thanks for the description, baby. I appreciate you. Yes, sir. So a few months ago, or maybe it was a month and a half ago, we got a domestic call of the Yellow Jack. When I showed up to Yellow Jack, Ms. Viv had told me that her brother had handcuffed her upstairs so she could not go on a date with her therapist. After speaking with her brother, we weren't quite sure if she was speaking the truth or not, but it was apparent that the argument was heated. So we decided to ask her if she wanted us to take her to her appointment because she was using her therapist appointment as cover for a date. So we asked her if we wanted us to take her to the hospital to see a therapist. When we got to the hospital, there's no therapist. So we drove around a bit. She told me some crazy dreams that she had at night about me. And then we went to the go-kart track and raced a little bit. And then we dropped her back off. And we did all that just to de-escalate the situation and let her brother go home and calm down. And then just recently, last couple weeks, while on patrol within Sandy, we seen a vehicle swerving down the roadway, and we stopped it. And when we approached the vehicle, it was apparent that the backseat passenger seemed to be incapacitated, and that's when this incident happened.
I understand, Colonel Judo. I appreciate that very much.
It was like 3 months ago.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'll tell you, from the sounds of it, it sounds to me, would you agree that your interactions with Miss Viv Gray up until the point in this incident in question tonight, all those interactions were completely platonic? They were no serious intimate
Objection, Your Honor.
relationships?
Calls for speculation.
It's that speculation, Your Honor. He was the one involved. I'm asking him what his perception was as a person.
the objection.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir. It was completely platonic. I had 2 other partners with myself, just so we could keep witnesses. Like I said, we were just trying to de-escalate the situation.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Which, I'll tell you, quite frankly, thank you for that. Did anything ever get very seriously physical? Like romantic interactions with you and Miss Gray here?
No, sir, but I did give her my phone number before I left, just in case she ever needed something when it came to her brother, like handcuffing her again.
Which I understand. And did you win the go-kart race?
I absolutely did. I crushed it by half a lap.
Huge. I'll tell you, that's huge. And I understand that you have... do you have the arrest report that you filed for this incident?
I do, sir.
Would you mind reading it for the members of the court and the people in the jury?
In its entirety?
Yes, you can.
All right.
Yes, I believe it'd probably be best. Huge.
Yes, sir. All right. The report is as follows. On November the 8th, 2023, at or around 22:39 Central Time, while on patrol, 101 and 112 observed a green in color Rumpel swerving from lane to lane around the postal 3001. 112 initiated the traffic stop in postal 3021, and then northwest lane. The green van came to a complete stop on the shoulder of the road. While radioing in the traffic stop, it became apparent that there were 3 occupants inside the vehicle: a male driver, a female. Oh, I lost my eyes. Hang on one second. I gotta stand up. A male driver, a female front passenger, and a male rear passenger who appeared to be slumped in his seat with his head against the window. 101 called for an additional unit due to the amount of occupants in the van. 363 responded to the scene and later blocked traffic for field sobriety test of the driver. The driver wasn't in there. While approaching the vehicle, 101 noticed that the right rear male passenger seemed to be incapacitated once at the front windows. My partner and I were debating on who was going to be primary on the traffic stop. The driver, who was later identified as Kenny Tuxford, stated, C, they argue it just like we do. 101 then asked several questions trying to inquire on what he had just walked up on. 112 then asked if the guy in the backseat of the van was dead, to which Kenny responded, no, he just had too much to drink. We are trying to get him home. Vivian responded with, what? He's sleeping. Then 112 asked Kenny to exit the vehicle to check his level of sobriety. 101 asked Miss Vivian to exit the vehicle to check her state. As I was suspicious that I was walking up on a potential domestic situation, while speaking to Vivian, she stated that she had an appointment with her therapist, Archie Bald, that didn't go well. When asked what she said that made the appointment not go well, Miss Vivian led 101 on a delusional conversation that involved 101 and syrup.
Delusional?
She stated...
Allegedly.
I'm sorry. She stated that she had to end the relationship with Mr. Bald because he told her our relationship wasn't real and that he could not come between her and I. 101 attempted to get back on subject without about asking what led us here tonight. She stated that the man in the rear seat of the van was her therapist and that he was dead, but not dead. When 101 questioned who might have harmed him, it became apparent that she was giving 101 guarded answers. She became focused on other suspects or subjects. Fearing for Mr. Tuxford's life, I asked if Kenny was also involved, keeping her from living out her fantasy. She stated he is, then took out a bat and began walking towards Mr. Tuxford. 101 de-escalated the situation and placed Miss Vivian in handcuffs for her safety and others on the scene. Let's see here. 101 asked Vivian for permission to search a person, which she responded with, "I consent to whatever you want to do." And on her person, 101 found a bat, a hatchet, a rifle ammo, handcuff key, lockpicks, and advanced lockpicks. 101 then placed Miss Vivian back in the back of the patrol car. 101 then read Mr. Tuxford his rights, which he agreed to speak. Kenny did not give any insight onto who, what, when, where, how, or why Mr. Bald had been murdered. He did, however, state that Vivian asked him to drive her and her friend down the road and take a right-hand turn. 121 placed Mr. Tuxford in handcuffs, then detained him and take him to the department for further questionings. 101 checked the pulse of the incapacitated male in the back seat, Mr. Bald, and was able to find one. Medics were called to the scene. Upon further inspection of the scene, 101 noticed signs of blunt force trauma and rigor mortis. 101 then returned Vivian and read her rights. Once she gave consent, 101 began questioning Vivian on the events that led to his death. Ms. Vivian stated that she hit her therapist with a bat 6 to 7 times in an attempt to knock him out. 3 times while he was still on his feet, 3 to 4 more times while he was on the ground. She did this because while she was telling him that she couldn't see him anymore because she was in love with 101 and going to be with 101. Mr. Bald apparently told her that she would not be with 101 and that she couldn't do that and it wasn't real. Vivian admitted that her plan was to take Mr. Bald to the water to put him in the water in an attempt to hide his body because she was scared 101 wouldn't love her anymore. She included Kenny in the plan because she doesn't like to drive and she knew he would drive for her. Vivian stated that Kenny had no knowledge that Mr. Bald was dead, but that he was sleeping. 101, 121, 112 transported both suspects to Sandy Sheriff's Office, where both suspects were questioned further by 121 and 112. While 112 and 121 were speaking with Vivian, she made one statement that stuck out. She stated that there were multiple victims, but did not and would not elaborate on how many more and what their conditions were. Evidence is stored in SASP Stash 5, Box 6285 in the report.
Yes, thank you for reading that. I'm sorry it was so long, but you're so good at writing reports. I'll tell you, it's huge.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
So much detail. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So a few more questions for you, Colonel Judo.
Yes.
I'll tell you.
Go lay down. Sorry, my dog's bugging me.
Did you know Mr. Bald before this incident?
I did not, sir.
You had no idea who Mr. Bald was? Never met him in your life, huh?
No, sir.
You have no idea about any relationship allegedly between Mr. Bald and Miss Gray, Huge?
Well, she had stated on the domestic violence call that she was wanting to be in a relationship with him. I know. I got to get him on my podcast.
I understand. And further along in the report where she's talking to you and explaining to the situationings, she references the state of the being of Mr. Bald.
Yes, sir.
In your professional opinion, do you know if there's any difference or what difference she might have meant by somebody who is dead versus somebody who's dead, Huge?
Objection, Your Honor.
Go ahead, walk around.
The witness on the stand can't account for what Miss Gray said as it was her statement. He's not exactly sure what's going through her head at that time in the statement.
Rebuttal, Mr. Trump.
No objection. We're not, Your Honor, we're not asking about the current state or previous state of Mrs.
I know,
Gray,
right? It's great.
or mental
I love it, Timber.
states. Talia, quite frankly, she may have just been in a state of confusion. But the simple question
Yes,
was to
Farmer
Colonel
Kid.
Judo, is there a difference between someone who is dead and someone who might be referred to as dead.
Sir, to my expert opinion, if you're dead, you're just dead. I don't know. Oh, no, that wasn't a question for me. I'm sorry.
You're good. I'll overrule the objection. Objection, you're good.
Which I don't
Continue.
think you
You
could
can
be
answer the
dead.
question.
Maybe not dead twice. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I think you only die once, in my opinion.
I think so. I think you're right, Colonel Gino, but I'm no expert. I'll tell you what,
Yeah, he
this
is.
is crazy. I'll ask you, when you approached the van on this crazy incident this evening, what did you see?
So, as I exited my vehicle, you could see even more clear the man slumped over in the back, or slumped against the window in the back seat, and he was not appear to moving. As I approached, I put my flashlight on the car, and you couldn't see any type of life signs in him. And we immediately addressed the arguing at the front of the vehicle, and so that drew our attention up front. But there was only 3 occupants, and one of them seemed to be incapacitated. Now, they said he was sleeping, and then I believe, like in the report said, Kenny stated otherwise. So, you know, it's just, it was pretty apparent to me when I walked up that he appeared to be incapacitated.
By incapacitated, do you mean he was dead?
Yes, sir. But I didn't know that for sure yet, but I had my assumptions.
I understand. And when you pulled Miss Gray out of the vehicle, did you I believe you were having a conversation with her, am I correct?
Yes, sir. I was inquiring what the argument was about and trying to see if I can get her to lead me to what was going on inside the vehicle. I didn't know at that time what had happened and what transpired, but I had reasonable suspicion that the crime had been committed.
I understand. And then at this point, you took Mrs. Gray into custody, or you detained Miss Gray, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, sir. I detained her after she attempted to go after Mr. Tuxford with a baseball bat because.
Oh my goodness! She pulled out a baseball bat and tried to attack someone.
Yeah, well, she stated that he said that he didn't want us together either. So she pulled out her bat and started walking towards him. I de-escalated it and then detained her.
A further pattern of violence, if I do say so myself. I'll tell you, after you detain her...
Move to strike that comment.
I'll sustain the objection. It will be removed from the record. You can continue.
Huge. Thank you. I'll tell you, Colonel Gino, from what I understand, after you detained Miss Gray, then you searched her person, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And what were the results of that? Did she object to the search, first of all, sir?
She did not. She said she consented to anything that I wanted to do.
I understand it. So you searched her. Can you tell me what you found?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Let me look here for my recollection. I'm going to review my report again. All right. On her person, I found a baseball bat, a hatchet, rifle ammo, handcuff key, lockpicks, and advanced lockpicks.
I understand. And so as we have reviewed the body camera footage outside of the court prior to this proceeding, we can see clearly on the baseball bat there is blood and tissue on the bat. Do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
I must ask, is that baseball bat, that piece of evidence, present with somebody in the courtroom tonight?
Yes, sir. All the evidence that was taken off of her person is in the courtroom today.
Can we please see that baseball bat? Whoever has it. Can we show it to the jury, please?
Yeah. Oh, one moment.
Just pulling out a flashbang grenade.
There it is.
Men and women of this jury, I'll tell you, can't tell you for certain if this is a murder weapon, but I'll tell you this was found on Miss Gray. This baseball bat was found on Miss Gray in the dash cam, body cam footage that you have seen. This very baseball bat had blood and human skin tissues, all sorts of forensic evidence on the baseball bat, evident of a crime.
I love it.
Whether or not that was this crime is up to you. I'll tell you, but quite frankly, what other reason would she have a bat? I'll tell you, I don't know. Thank you for presenting the murder weapon, allegedly. Thank you.
I probably should have put that in my report. Whoops. He just got it in evidence, though, because the defense didn't object.
Use megaphones. We can barely hear them back here.
Turn up your hearing aid.
Move forward. Keller, come here.
I guess if you guys have megaphones, you can use them. I don't happen to have one, but
Yes, sir.
if that makes it easier to hear, y'all can use them.
How's this?
Beautiful, thank you.
Huge. And Colonel Judo, after you read Miss Gray her rights after you seized the bloody baseball bat, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And she agreed to continue answering questions after you read her these rights, excuse?
Yes, sir.
And I have to ask you, what did she say after you read her rights and you asked what happened to Mr. Bald? What did she tell you?
She was hesitant to answer me because she was extremely worried that I would not love her anymore. And after I told her I loved her hair, she went on and explained to me that they got into an argument in the parking lot, and she struck him in the head 3 times while he's standing and then hit him while he's on the ground 3 to 4 more times.
I'll tell you that would kill somebody if you ask me. Would you think so,
Objection
Colonel
calls for
Judo?
speculation.
It's a statement. Huge.
Overall, it was a statement.
I would agree, sir.
Huge. Well, I'll tell you, men and women of the jury, you have been presented with this video evidence, this body camera footage, and I'll tell you, the timestamps exactly are 1 hour, 26 minutes, and 20 seconds. You'll see a bloody baseball bat, the murder weapon, if I do say so myself, allegedly.
This guy's great.
I'll tell you, at 1 hour and 34 minutes on the dot, you'll hear Colonel Judo loud and clear, crisp and clean, reading Miss Gray her rights, and you'll hear Miss Gray agreeing to answer any questions. And I'll tell you, right at timestamp 1 hour, 38 minutes, and 10 seconds, you'll hear Miss Gray admitting to the very statements that Colonel Judo just testified to, admitting to striking the deceased victim, Mr. Bald, in the head with a baseball bat until he was incapacitated and dead. I'll tell you, Colonel Judo, I thank you for your time and your service. I apologize for you having to witness this egregious, atrocious atrocity. I'll tell you, quite frankly, it's terrible. I've seen a lot of terrible things. This is quite crazy, the most gruesomely terrible thing. I thank you so much again for your service, and Your Honor, this is all the questions I have for Mr. Judo, Colonel Judo, at this time.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Love you too.
I do love you.
Judo, come back.
Oh, sorry, sir. My bad.
Defense, would you
time.
like to cross-examine?
Can the side over there with Deaf Keller hear me?
Keller, are you able to hear us?
Hello?
Keller, can you hear
Use
us?
your outside voice.
I am.
He's probably busy in his head. No, they do not stream, but they need to,
Okay,
and he's
Mr.
amazing.
Judo,
Their
when you
boss.
arrived on scene and you had the initial impression of a domestic dispute, what gave you that impression?
They were arguing when we approached the vehicle.
So an argument constitutes a domestic dispute.
If there is a party in a vehicle that you believe may be in a relationship and they're arguing, yes, that's domestic.
What gave you the assumption that 2 individuals that you hadn't clearly identified yet, that they were a couple?
Sir, I would. That's why we investigated it, to see if it was a domestic or just an argument.
Right, but you went into the traffic stop as you approached the vehicle with domestic dispute in your head. Is that correct?
Yes, sir, because I've already had an interaction. Go ahead.
He's leading the witness to draw a conclusion. He told you he pulled them over for swerving.
Facts.
Rebuttal, Mr. Frank.
The question was directed towards his approach to the vehicle, not as to why he pulled them over.
He pulled them over due to
Overrule the objection.
intoxication.
Didn't.
Sir, as I was stating, The reason why I assumed that was because I've already been involved in 2 separate domestic incidents involving Miss Viv here, and both of them were different men. What the heck just happened to me?
Sorry, Judah.
You're okay. Yeah, so 2 domestic situations, and both were involving different men.
I understand that, but you just told this court that you approached this vehicle with the domestic dispute already in mind without having properly identified the front 2 people in the car.
Sir, what I actually said was when I approached the vehicle, they were arguing, so we assumed that there might have been a domestic going on, and I pulled her out to investigate and check and make sure she was okay, because she seemed like she was in distress.
Right, so again, your assumption of a domestic dispute before you had positively identified the 2
Your
people
Honor,
up front.
asked and answered. He's badgering Colonel Judah, badgering the witness.
Oh, I love Trump.
I'll sustain the objection. Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. It's his only way to win.
So you testified earlier that you gave Miss Gray your phone number. Is that correct?
Not in this on this arrest, sir, but prior to, yes, sir.
Do you just hand your phone number out to everybody?
Objection, Your Honor. Relevance.
Thank you, Trump. I gotta wait for Trump. He's crushing it, dude.
It's directly to his testimony of giving out a phone number.
Nothing to do with the defendant and the murder victim. I tell you, Colonel Judah is not on trial here. His actions prior to this incident are not on trial.
It goes towards the mental state of my client, Your Honor.
I'll overrule the objection. You can continue.
To answer your question, do I hand out my phone number? Was it to anyone? Is that what you said?
Do you just hand out your phone number to anybody? Yes.
Not to anybody, but I do hand it out frequently to people who may need my assistance further, and it would help them get assistance quicker, especially to domestic violence victims or victims of abuse or of assault.
Is there not a hotline for that sort of thing?
I'm sure, sir, you as well as everybody in here knows 911's an option. However, it's called, public relations, sir. I'm the colonel, and I represent state police, and I want everyone to know that I'm there to protect them, and so is my department.
So what you're saying is they should call you over a domestic abuse help hotline?
Domestic abuse help hotline would not get police to your door any quicker than calling 911, sir. So I
didn't mention 911. I mentioned you personally. Let's stick to the question at hand here.
I don't see the relevance.
This has nothing to do with the relevance of this case. You're telling me
I'm gonna sustain the objection.
What up, Ross?
Proceed with another question, please.
No more questions at this time, Your Honor, but the defense does have this man on his witness list, so recall him at a later time.
Alrighty. Alright, you may be suited, Colonel. Thank you for your time, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, Mr. Trump.
Home wrecker.
He keeps calling me a homewrecker. How do I get this out of my hand?
Yes, Your Honor, we'd like to call.
Someone tell me how to get this out of my hand.
Badge number 112, the Honorable Captain Derek Rex.
How the heck do I get this thing out of my hand? Dude, this is a great case. And Trump's crushing. What?
Thank you so much.
So I might need to borrow your megaphone.
Okay.
Alright, Mr. X, if you raise both your hands for me.
That's one way to get it out of my
You
hand.
solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I swear.
Alright, God. Easy. Or stand, whichever you prefer.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Yes, Captain Rex. I thank you for your time this
I don't know what's going on.
Courageous service to the state. You've
Go to
heard
your
Colonel
inventory,
Judah's
put the megaphone in one of your slots. 12136.
Do you recall
press
any
that
different
hotkey.
facts, any other facts that were not
I gave my
included in
megaphone
this
away.
recollection?
Hang on. Rookie, I need your
Not
megaphone.
that I can recall.
Yeah, gotcha.
I understand that you arrived on scene as well. and
Prop
I
fix,
was
okay.
witness when you approached
still have that
the
weight?
van.
I noticed
I don't know how to get rid of
three
this wig.
individuals in the vehicle.
Can we do dinner
One
later?
slumped over in the back.
Yes.
As we were kind of approaching the
I can't believe
driver's
it's not
side
butter.
doors, as I was approaching the driver's side door, and I made contact with the
How do
driver.
I get rid of this hair?
At that time, it was more so
What the
in my head
crud?
that maybe this is some sort of
You feel suave.
driving under the influence because of the swerving.
I gotta cut this shit off. Crap off real quick.
I had him
You're
step
still
into the
on the
vehicle,
microphone.
kind of
crap.
submit to a field sobriety test to make sure that he wasn't under the influence of anything. He passed. I did 3
All right, guys, I gotta go fix this hair real quick, so that way I don't look like an absolute idiot out here. Yo, can you take me to get rid of this hair? It just reappeared.
Oh my god.
I need you.
Fabio.
I need you to drive me there quick.
I don't have keys. Oh, hold on.
I got a car. I can take you.
Please, 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 hurry, hurry, hurry.
Oh,
Alright.
thank God. This court made me want to kill people.
I love that guy. Which car are you in?
This one.
God dang. I'm having all kinds of freaking issues.
See that?
Fabio. Yep.
I'm never refreshing skin again. God, I'm gonna miss part of the case. Gosh dang it, guys. I'm sorry. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh, what do y'all think so far? This isn't it. You gotta go barbershop. Gotta go barbershop down the street. What do you think so far? What happened to your hair? Dude, I refreshed my skin and this hair that for whatever reason just keeps reappearing on my body every time I refresh my skin, so I can't do it. Thanks.
Yep.
Right back. Oh my god. God, this is frustrating me. Good God. Where's it at? There it is. I've done this like 8 times now. The beard's just gonna stay like that for a while. Well, hang on. Make sure. There it is. Quick, to the back cave, Robin.
To the back.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Yeah, freaking Bennett just asked me to go on a date. Can't go fast if you're having headaches, I guess. God, Trump is crushing it, y'all. Trump is absolutely crushing it right now. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
You're a freaking legend. Thank you, thank you. Fixed.
Thank you. No more questions.
Whoa, where'd the wig go?
I threw it in the dumpster.
Okay, Mr. Captain Rex, I appreciate your time.
Absolutely.
How bad did Rex do? I wonder.
All right, Mr. Trump.
Keller is.
Your Honor, I don't
He's
think
sitting
the
right
state
there.
has anybody else to call at this
He's
time.
Sitting
Thank you
right
very
over there.
much.
The blue black jacket.
Rookie?
The Kraken Den. Good luck, rookie.
Okay, Mr. Frank.
Your Honor, sidebar real quick, please.
I guess they're not calling you.
A sidebar?
I guess not.
Go ahead.
Can't get through.
Oh, okay. Was it Trump now, or what's up?
What's up, Colton? Bears too. Bear what? What? Why is it flashing right there?
I'm alive.
Why are the lights flashing? I can't wait for her to hit stand. It's going to be wild. Oh, yeah, Bears streaming too. Good call, Colton. want to be a part of. I want to be a part of this sidebar.
Oh, we're not. We're not.
How'd your stand go? How'd your testimony go?
Well.
Yeah. Did you leave your sunglasses on the stand?
What was that?
No.
You did, didn't you? What's up, Chopper? Thank you for following.
My sunglasses at night. Sorry.
All right, prime time. Got Dion on the apartment now.
I think Willow went to go talk to him.
Look, if they see my crazy eyes, let them what's up.
Yeah, well, Ken's got lion eyes. I'm gonna go tell him.
On record.
Shut your face. Hey, Mr. Lion Eyes, how you doing?
What you
doing over here?
Just come say hi.
Go back
Get
to
back
your
on your
seat.
side.
He's on the winning side.
I'm not yelling. It's not like I'm yelling.
Yes, look, you're yelling.
You're both yelling. Lock it up.
Lock it up. I love that.
Locked.
Did he just talk to you?
Oh boy.
Yes, sir.
Rookie up.
What?
Get Rookie up there.
What about Rookie?
Questions for me.
What'd you say?
They might not have any questions for me.
Oh, that's true.
You're integral.
They should. You're in the witness list.
Yeah.
I did in the interrogation room.
Heck
I
yeah.
did ask a very important
Careful,
question.
guys.
Appreciate your support.
Very, very important question.
Tell Rex you can't drive. Love Mitchell. Hey Rex, I'm supposed to tell you you can't drive. Love Mitchell.
I can't drive.
Mitchell says you can't drive.
Yeah, well, Mitchell's also got a freaking beard from the 70s.
Shots fired.
My gosh.
That guy got arrested fast, bro.
Hey, tell Mitchell that 1970 called. They want their freaking beard back.
You stop slandering my dad over there.
Who's slandering me, son?
Why is he yelling?
It's your son
I
now?
think his name's Archie. It's the old man over there.
He called you his son.
Oh.
What about Archie?
Yeah, he's slandering you, Dad.
No, we're just talking about how Judo's a player.
I'm a player?
He's giving out his phone number to
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it ain't like.
Dad, I'm not going to help you right now.
Did
in
you
your
hear what
court
he
case.
said? Did you hear what he said?
I hear him.
He used like my words and twisted them like as if he's creative or something. Like come with your own original
It's like
content.
a snake in the grass. Paid to pounce.
Hey, why don't you handcuff your sister upstairs again?
Ooh.
Hey, what?
Losers say what? Oh, I thought I would get him with that thing.
Well, I mean, he was around when it was invented, so.
Be quiet. Still in session. They're just at a sidebar.
I would love to go to a salad bar.
Hey.
Salad bar? You got salad?
Ding
If it's got egg on it, I'm in.
You like? Oh.
Yeah, you don't?
Dude,
Stop
that's
joking.
terrible.
What? How?
Egg on your salad? Come on.
What are you talking about? Why not?
Don't like egg on my salad.
Well, why not? It's delicious.
Don't like egg. What are you doing?
Honey, you're shouting. Put your library voice on.
He's always shouting.
All day, every day.
Hey, Caesar salads are great.
Oh, straight up.
Someone's phone's ringing.
Who's getting a phone call?
Speaking of which,
That's
you can shut your ringtone off,
Dan,
Goober. Stop
Dan,
calling
your
me,
That's
bro.
not me, you nerd.
Dan, your phone is ringing.
Do you have your
Why
phone?
do you keep calling me, dog?
Do you have it on?
No, I have the sounds off because I'm not stupid. You want me to?
No, but it's a pop.
Yeah, heck yeah. Do it right now.
You're not Colonel
Let's
Tito,
go.
Your call sign's Colonel Fabio.
Yeah.
Fabio.
Why are they dancing?
Yeah. Code name
So we're
Fabio.
dancing. Should we dance? What?
Oh, okay.
What?
Is that what we're doing?
Oh my god.
Whose phone? that?
I was finally.
I don't know whose it was, but I want to slurp.
All right, it's huge. It's huge.
Huge. I'll tell you,
Huge.
if you haven't stood up in a while and ate something, maybe you should do it. You don't want to,
Yeah, but I want a Slurpee now.
Christina.
That move did it. Call my phone, he says. Call my phone.
Frank, you're good.
Huge.
Your Honor, honestly, I'm just gonna skip that. We're just gonna skip straight to the point. The defense is gonna call Miss Vivian Gray.
Yes. Yes. The best part. The best part.
Miss Gray, would you raise your hands for me? Do you solemnly swear to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You may be seated or stand, whichever you prefer.
Can the people hear Miss Gray fine over there?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Miss Gray, could you state your name for the record, please?
It's Vivian Gray.
Miss Gray, on the day in question, where were you and Mr. Truxford coming from?
What's up with you, Dice?
We were coming from Yellow Jack.
And what were you doing at Yellow Jack?
We both work there.
Okay. And to the deceased, could you please explain your relationship with him?
He has been my therapist for about 6 months.
Heck yeah, what
How
time
did
is it
you
in
find
Germany?
said therapist?
The Yellow Pages.
He wasn't recommended to you by anybody?
No,
It sounds
sir.
great. It's great. It's a great case. It's fun.
How
It was so
often
much
did
fun.
you meet your therapist?
It's been one of
Once a
my favorite
week.
RP moments. 3 a.m. Sheesh.
Did you know Mr. Judo before or after you met your therapist?
I had ran into him a couple times, but I didn't actually get to know him until after I met my therapist.
2:24. My gosh. Well, thanks for being awake and watching me. That means a lot. Thank you. He's very slow with his questions. Trump was
Did
great.
you ever see Mr. Judo outside of his patrol, like in a personal setting?
Nope.
No, sir.
Heck yeah, bro. Thanks, bro. I appreciate you. He's so slow. Come on, bro. Spit it out. This is an unwinnable case
That
for him, so I get why he's
initial-
slow.
Can you describe the first time you ran into Mr. Judo?
Yeah, it's 824 here, 2 Farmer. You're from Wisconsin, right?
Are you talking about when my brother, when I got in a fight with my brother?
Was that the first interaction you had with Mr. Judo?
Yes.
No.
Then yes, please.
My brother is overprotective, and I am a 27-year-old woman, and he has decided that I am not allowed to date, and I do not agree with
Illinois?
that.
I forgot. My bad.
And so I was trying to
Heck yeah.
go out.
Who are you?
Shouldn't be
and
dating crazy people.
It's
anyway, I was trying to go
You're
out,
not crazy piddles.
and my overprotective brother would not let me. And when I tried
I appreciate
to
you,
leave,
bro, man.
he handcuffed me.
It means a lot to me.
and
Thank
took
you
me
so much. I put a
upstairs
lot of time
into
and
the
effort into
office
it.
and wouldn't let me out.
It was for your protection.
Shut up.
Okay, get the folks in the gallery, please. Right,
Shut
Tom,
up.
thank you.
He said, "You shut up."
So when he finally
I love
agreed to
Peggy.
uncuff me, and he still was I ran out into the parking lot, and he was holding me back and not letting me leave. And that's when Judo came to my rescue. And he showed up, and he was very.
Oh, Hunter, what up,
nice,
baby?
And
Heck yeah, bro. You're crushing it, dude. Keep it
told
up.
me that
Yeah. Yeah, he is. He's weird.
I should be allowed to date, and that he would make sure that I could get out of there safely and go on a date. And then he took me on a date.
No, I didn't.
Where did you go?
What?
We went go-karting.
It's her brother.
Did you have fun?
I had a lot of fun.
Easiest way to win this case.
Did anything other than go-karting happen while you were out with Mr. Judo?
I keep reading stuff that I'm not supposed to. Did it?
No, it was a very friendly
Diddles?
and respectful first date, and then he gave me his phone number to call him later.
Is that
what?
Do you remember what he said when he gave you the phone number?
Yes, he said I could call him anytime.
Bro, son. She has a shrink dog, and she has multiple personalities. Relax.
Can't believe you right now.
How often did you reach out to Mr. Judo?
Never. Never, not once.
I didn't really call him other than.
I'm just
I think
built different.
maybe
That's right,
once,
baby.
But I didn't want to seem too eager or needy because I really liked him.
Eager and needy.
Okay, and then to Mr. Judo's police report, there's something mentioned about syrup in here.
Oh yes.
Could you please elaborate on the syrup?
This is gonna be great, y'all.
Yeah, please.
Okay.
What syrup?
This is really personal, so it's hard for me to talk about in front of all these people. But I have these dreams.
Oh, here we go.
And they're like really realistic. And one of the dreams, I was like in this magical world where it's filled with like breakfast foods, you know, like pancakes and eggs and bacon and sausage and all your favorite breakfast foods, right? And then
Is on you
Judo
now.
appears in my dream.
Is her brother trying
wearing
to keep her?
only an
Oh,
apron
yeah. I don't know, bro.
and
Maybe.
holding the syrup.
This is great. Listen to this. I won't say nothing. Just listen.
And he pours this. I really shouldn't say anymore, but the syrup was very key to this dream.
Understandable. Did he mention the syrup dream? Let me rephrase. Did you ever mention that dream to Mr. Judo?
Many times.
Oh my god.
And he actually brought me syrup.
Oh my god. Judo!
Interesting. So he brings you an item that you would potentially fantasize about.
I did not.
Yes.
This is great. I love it.
How would you classify your relationship with Mr. Judo?
We're in love with each other. Obviously.
Hold up!
That he loves you?
Hey, be quiet, court in
Yes,
session.
he told me that he loves my hair.
You're gonna
and
get
that's
the
part
kid.
of me. And so he loves me.
Do you feel like Mr. Judo would ever do anything to harm you or put you in danger?
I don't know whose phone that is, but it ain't mine.
Absolutely not.
It's Michelle. I've never said.
Do you feel like Mr. Judo?
I've never done any of that. Not right now. Right now. Not right now. I love you.
What do you mean?
Thank you for playing the sound alerts. I love them, but not right now.
Do you feel like you? Okay, let me rephrase a different question then. Do you feel like you can let your guard down around Mr. Judo?
Oh yes, I can totally be myself around him.
It's
Would
just
it be
crazy.
safe to say that you could confide to Mr. Judo?
Yeah, I think I could tell him anything. That's what you do with the people that you love.
Where did pills go?
Would it be safe to say that you let your barriers and your walls down around
Oh
Mr.
my
Judo?
God.
100%.
It was great. Oh my God.
So would it be safe to say that in potentially a moment of crisis, you could babble on about things you might not share with other people?
Yeah, because he cares about me.
Do you think that Mr. Drudo would ever betray your trust?
I mean, I'm starting to question it now.
Have you ever told any other dreams to Mr. Judo?
Yeah, I told him one other dream.
Oh
Do
God.
you feel comfortable sharing that dream with the jury today?
I don't feel comfortable listening to it.
Yes. So this one, there was I was in a jungle.
What happened to Tittles? What up? What up,
and
hacker?
I was like running through the jungle.
George of the jungle.
And I ran into this big, giant gorilla. That, you know, looks a lot like this other officer.
Lieutenant Townsend.
And he was trying to like grab me, and then Colonel Judo comes flying on a vine and picks me up and saves me and takes me back to his lair where we live happily ever after.
It's like a hero.
He is my hero.
I'm gonna vomit.
Keep your comments to yourself.
Okay. So let's go back to your therapist. Did you see him on the day in question? Like as a patient, did you have an appointment on the day in question?
I did not have an appointment.
They're
He came
great.
to see me
She's
at my
amazing, our
workplace.
peer.
Did you ask for him to show up, or did he just show up?
Right. I love you,
He
Kenny.
just showed up. I had called him earlier to let him know that I did not need to see him anymore.
And what was his reaction to you telling him that?
He didn't answer, so I left a message.
Did you make that statement to him in person?
Yes, when he came up to Yellow Jack and was telling me that I needed to continue to see him, and I told him that that was not true, that I was there on my own free will and I did not need to see him anymore because I had found happiness.
And what was his reaction to that?
He got very
Told you, Nixon.
argumentative with me. and he
Crazy as
threatened
hell.
me.
Has he done that in the past?
No, this was the first time that he threatened me, and I think it was because he might have been in love with me too.
Has he ever tried to redirect you away from a person that you felt interested in?
Yes.
Does he become argumentative or overreactive in your opinion when you mention other men?
Does he? Like he's still alive?
Yes,
Did
he
he?
tells me that my feelings aren't real and that I shouldn't follow through with them and that I should continue to see him.
Do you ever get a sense that he was feeling guarded towards you, as in he wants to keep you for himself?
I believe that's accurate.
And on the day in question, when he was at Yellow Jack, what happened?
He came up there, and when I told him I didn't want to
Should I
see
do
him
it?
anymore,
Should I do it?
he got visibly upset and told me that I was out of control and that he would have to commit me in his hospital.
Dad, put your shirt back
Have you
on.
ever been committed before?
No, sir.
What in the world is
After he told you he
Judo
wanted to
doing?
commit
And
you,
she's
what
still,
happened?
yeah. Yes, she is.
I
Do you
told him
have-
I was leaving and I was
Yeah,
gonna go
but I
be
do.
with Judo.
I believe
And
it's
then
on my
he
YouTube now.
reached for me to grab for me, and I
A murder
turned
trial,
around
Frank.
and defended myself.
So he prevented you from leaving.
Yes.
Would you say what would you say your mental state was after he grabbed you?
I was really scared. I mean, if someone grabs you and doesn't let you go, and they've been telling you that they're not going to let you go, and you know,
Yeah, I'll
my
look
brother
and see
doesn't
what
let me
YouTube
go, and
video it is.
my brother, you know, ties me up in an office.
Are you in my Discord?
Now my therapist is threatening to tie me up too.
Would you say that you were in fear for your life?
Yes, I mean, how could people just do that to human beings where you don't let them leave, and you don't let them live their lives and be with the
Oh,
people
no.
that they love?
Has your therapist ever held you against your will in his office, not allowing you to leave before?
Just making all this up.
No. But I think he knows I'm gonna come back the next weeks.
Do you think that your therapist is playing mind games with you and trying to string you along?
I think he wanted me for himself and wouldn't let me see anybody else. Just like my brother.
Yo, SASP chat's going wild right now.
For your protection, Viv.
Oh my god, SASP chat is
Judo out there chasing after you.
so amazing right now.
So after he grabbed you,
It's
and you
Viv, the
defended
lady that I
yourself,
arrested.
what did you do next?
I'll post a YouTube link in my Discord.
Well, I had realized
Let me
that
find it.
I had hit him and he didn't wake up. So I was gonna take him down to the beach because that's what my therapist always told me, that I should, when I'm really overwhelmed, should go to a place that brings me peace and calms me down, and that's the beach. So that's where I was taking him to try and figure out what to do.
Alright, y'all, I posted in my Discord for you guys. It's an hour-long scene,
once
so.
you and Mr. Chuckster were pulled over, were you afraid of the officers who were getting out before you knew who they were?
Yeah, I was a little scared about what we were getting pulled over for, and I knew that my therapist was in the car, and I hadn't really figured out what I was
freaking
gonna do
great, dude.
yet, and so I was just really stressed out.
Did you feel a sigh of relief when you saw Mr. Judo approach you?
Oh yeah.
She said, oh yeah. What?
Look, he's just over there taking his pants off for me now.
Allegedly.
Said allegedly, I love Trump, dude. Yeah, the crazy guy speaks up.
Did any other officer try to talk to you while you were on scene?
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. All good.
I think
You
that
need to buy a
Officer
belt? Yeah, I
Rex
do.
guy might have.
So, would you say that you primarily spoke with Judo?
Yes.
No.
And you said you feel comfortable around Mr. Judo?
Oh yes.
Speed it up, defense counsel. Speed it up.
Questions for this Honor?
No more questions.
All right, Mr. Trump.
Did you take your pants down?
Yitch.
No, shush.
Yitch, thank you, Your Honor.
Quit snitching.
Hello, Miss Gray. Yitch, thanks for being here, allegedly. How are you?
I'm doing okay.
Heck yeah, man.
Yitch, thanks.
I'm
for
not,
being
Jade. Stop
Can you
snitching.
tell me, please?
She's delusional. Heck yeah, man. I appreciate
Were
it.
you
Have a
read
good
your
one.
rights by Colonel
Keep up them
Judo
reports.
On the night in question?
Yes.
Yeah, me
And
too.
you remember him asking if you wanted to answer any further questions?
Well, I would answer anything he wanted to ask me anyways.
I understand that he told you that you had the option to not answer questions, am I correct?
Yeah, right.
Yes.
And so you chose to answer them anyway. And did you tell Officer Judo, Colonel Judo, that you had hit Mr. Bond
Sad little
with a
spice.
baseball bat?
Objection, Your Honor, asked and answered.
It's a great scene. I watch
Not to
everyone.
the
Thanks.
surface, I have
Appreciate
not
it.
asked that question.
Yeah, right. Quit snitching, bro.
Did you tell Colonel Judo that you hit this Mr. Bald with a bat?
Yes.
And you told Colonel Judo that you thought he was dead, but not dead, is that correct?
Well, I'm not a doctor, so I don't. I was hoping that he was just asleep.
You said dead, correct?
Objection, Your Honor. Those words never came out of her mouth in my line of questioning.
It's on the body cam.
Rebuttal, Mr. Trump.
Timmer, appreciate that. Gives us subs, Jade. It's my homegirl.
Examination of the witness.
As to her statements that I asked.
I already entered into evidence, though.
We can ask her questions.
It's in my report.
Yes, huge.
Go to bed.
On the stand under oath, we can ask her questions.
That's weird. How can you real?
It's a.
That is correct, Mr. Trump. Stand objection. Continue.
Did she say whether or not you thought Mr. Bald
Miss you
was
too.
dead?
Objection again. That question was
say
never
or did you
asked. You
not?
cannot cross on this question.
It's in my report, and I stated on stand.
Keep losing my marbles.
Am I answering this?
Keep it together.
Overruled. Go ahead.
This is a lot for me, for my family today.
Keep it together, son. Keep it together.
I said that
I'll be
I didn't think he was
We'll
really
go get
dead.
ice cream after this.
I understand, huge. And did you
You're sick,
tell
chick.
Mr. Kenny what
Oh,
y'all
I
were
gotta
going
walk.
to do with the incapacitated and or dead Mr. Bald?
I told him that I needed to take him somewhere.
So
Killing
he did
Angel
not
cracked me up.
know that he was being
Love
involved
Keller.
with these activities with a dead person, somebody who at least at minimum had been attacked with a baseball bat?
Objection, Your Honor. Calls for speculation.
Did you tell Mr. Kenny if he was transporting a dead, potentially dead body that you had hit with a bat? Did you tell him that, yes or no?
No.
So Kenny had no idea that he was conspiring to commit.
Objection. Calls for
Nacho, what up,
speculation
baby?
again.
It's a yes or no question.
Overruled.
VIP,
No.
bro.
Would you say that the disposal of a body would be tampering with evidence?
Objection, Your Honor. She has no definitions of a penal code. She's not a mortician nor is she a police officer. She can't answer that question.
We withdraw the question, Your Honor.
It's huge.
Mr. Trump, I'm sorry.
I said we withdraw the question.
Continue.
Miss Gray, do you understand what evidence?
I'm about
is
to start
in
cheering
your
on Trump.
opinion?
Objection, Your Honor. She's not a law enforcement agency or person. She doesn't know exactly what could be evidence. She can't answer that question.
Sustain the objection.
Get him, Trump.
Reword it. We'll just move on.
You got this, Trump. Let's go.
It's gonna be huge.
This next question's
Extremely.
huge.
No further questions, Your Honor.
I thought you throw something in about China and
She isn't a what? A mortician. It's a person that handles with funeral stuff
that's
and
great.
the dead bodies. Can we get back to the syrup dreamer? Like, yeah, I know, right? She can't answer it if she understands the
Anything else from
definition.
the defense?
Come on, call me
No,
back
Your
up.
Honor. The
What?
defense rested this time.
What? You're not gonna call me back up?
State. Closing statement.
I wish she'd call me back up.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I really give my phone out to everyone. I should just tell them that.
Ladies
Like,
and
Trump say anything
gentlemen,
about fake
terrific
news now.
people of the jury, I told you what would happen here tonight, that you would hear all of the facts, and I would outline these crimes for you. Just because we couldn't ask whether or not Mrs. Gray knew they were a crime doesn't mean that they aren't a crime in themselves.
It is.
Murder in the second degree is defined by Cornell law. I'll tell you, Cornell law, one of the most prestigious law institutions ever. Huge, this institution. They define second degree murder as murder with malicious intent, but it's not premeditated.
During defense is crossing his
The
hand.
mens rea in this is the intent to kill and the intent to inflict serious bodily harm. And I'll tell you, shoot impact.
Oh no! You gotta be kidding me! You gotta be kidding me! Right in the middle of closing statements. I know. He's so good at it. It makes me believe that, like, legitimately, it's him. I wonder if that's an AI bot or if like he can just do the voice. There's no way he's doing that like naturally because I only hear like small segments that he messes up, like very very small. So it's got to be like an AI voice box or something like that. And I need to know. Oh boy. Yeah, I know it popped. It's unfortunate. Can you tell if it's you think he's doing that on his own? I need to know. I gotta ask him. Tell the Otis William? Who? What? Yeah, he's great. He's amazing. No, just the server crashed. Alright, let's wait a minute. I'll try to fly back in here in a second. Let me see here. Where is my... Ruh-roh, Raggy. Plus the AI makes it a little weird when you roll letters. Yeah. I'm really curious. Mia said you're a loser and you smell like moist pickles. Oh, Mia. I gotta let this dog out. Hang on, yeah, I'm sorry. We'll try to get in here in a second. Let the timer go out and it will go on. Oh. Well, alright. I'll let the timer go out. I was going to try to play some of the video from the original arrest, but I'm afraid that I'll get dinged on my own YouTube. Like, I don't know how that works. I wish there was like a continue watching history. There it is. Let's see. Oh no, this is not the one that I'm looking for. Why did my video disappear? And yeah. Oh, there it goes. Gosh. Mixing. Keller crashed too, so hopefully they will start closing. Yeah, I hope so too. We'll see. We're almost in. I wonder if I should fly into Paleto though, and then drive over there, because I'm afraid my hair is gonna be messed up again. Last, okay. If I look like Fabio, it's on you, Mixon. Oh, there you go. I don't look like Fabio. Perfect. It's weird, but I do.
I think so. I think we're gonna win. She's gonna wait for a long time, right?
It's a long, long
All right,
time.
Jerry, are we good?
Quite possibly the longest of sentences, a life sentence, I think it should be.
Sir.
Sir.
Sir, you're
Sir.
crushing it, but I need you to work in fake news somewhere into your closing statement so I can win $50.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I'll think about it, I'll consider it. If you just give me a piece of that money, I'll tell you.
I got
Quite
you.
frankly, I can't believe you got away with undressing in the courtroom. That's huge. Huge, quite frankly. A bold move.
He's trying to get your money. He sounds like.
I'll give him some money.
Huge, I got plenty of money. I don't need your money, I tell you. I got plenty of money. Golf courses.
He sounds like he's like China.
China. I have more money than China. Just
There you
kidding.
go.
China steals all the money. They're bad for your businesses, I tell you.
You're right.
Allegedly.
And like what you got to do is you got to call the defense attorney when like all of his objections
We'll
fake
We'll
news.
get court back in,
He's probably
in session here.
Chinese.
He probably is.
Probably was a Chinese.
Hey, everyone just
Good luck,
relax.
defense attorney. Open your eyes.
Just relax.
I'm just saying. We'll talk about it afterwards.
Kenny, you're such a good friend until she's about to whack you upside the head with a bat. Just saying.
Oh.
She would never.
Truth.
She tried. I'll send you.
She
the
would
video.
never.
I'll send you the body cam.
I don't know if that was smart me going over there, but you know what?
Why are
The
you
deed's
making those
done.
kind of
No, sit
assumptions?
down. Why are you lying?
I'm not. Why are you delusional?
That's right.
Can we please?
All right,
I'm
miss.
not delusional.
All right.
I didn't even say that. What are you talking
That's
about?
why I protect
Keep it going, keep going.
people like that.
Yeah.
That come into her life and take advantage of her.
Crazy man, sit down. I can't. I'm
You
gonna
sit
get in
down.
trouble.
Talk about
I
who's
go sit
crazy.
down.
You don't tell me what to do.
You keep it going.
Gentlemen in the ball cap, just sit down,
You
please.
don't own me.
Yeah, sit down.
He told you what to do. Sorry, I shouldn't have said that.
What's her name? Oh, Clark. Oh, Clark's awesome, man. But she's the attorney general.
All right, Mr. Trump.
Is this Viv's
Can
crim
we start,
character?
or
It
you can start
is.
where you left
It's
off?
yeah, it's Victoria's crim character. Viv is Victoria's crim character, and then her dispatcher is Mara.
Huge, I think I'll just start from the top, Your Honor, if I do so.
Let
Thank
it
you,
drop.
thanks for following.
Oh,
Quite
time
frankly,
place,
I
Keller.
think it's huge. But thank you, ladies and gentlemen, terrific people of this jury, huge people, I love you. I told all of you what would happen here tonight, that you would hear all of these facts, but now again, I will outline the crimes for you. Cornell University, one of the most prestigious law institutions
No.
in the world of all time,
Kellers.
forever and always,
They're 2 years apart, so it's not
holds
true.
murder in the second degree as murder with malicious intent, but yet not premeditated. We don't believe that this was a premeditated act, that Mrs. Gray had planned this. We don't think so, quite frankly. She probably just showed up for a therapeutic session with a counselor. A counselor who she got angry at and hit with a baseball bat, premeditated, huge bodily harm, guilty. I'll tell you, obstruction of justice broadly refers to the actions of individuals illegally preventing or influencing the outcome of government proceedings. I'll tell you, obstruction of justice, pulling out baseball bats and attempting to hit people on scenes to keep them from talking to officers. Obstructing, I'll tell you quite frankly, I know a lot about obstructing, allegedly. But that's fake news, and this is not fake news. I'll
Fake
tell
news,
you,
let's
she
go.
obstructed justice, guilty.
I gotta pay him $50.
huge, bigly. Conspiracy to commit, I'll tell you, is an agreement between two or more people to commit an illegal act. And what I'll tell you next is another illegal act.
He does.
They conspired you together, Evidence
yeah, Josh,
tampering
appreciate
is when
you.
people take evidence of a crime and they try and alter it or destroy it or conceal it. I'll tell you, some people say I may have tried to tamper with evidence. That's alleged and also not on trial. I'm innocent. But I'll tell you, they tried to tamper with the evidence in this trial, in this
love this
incident.
guy.
They tried to dispose of a dead body, I'll tell you. And she tried to get Mr. Kenny to do that, to commit this crime. That's conspiracy to
$50, yep.
commit the tampering of evidence of a dead body, whether he's dead or dead, I'll tell you. They'll try to make you think there's a difference, but that's fake news, I'll tell you. Huge. There's no difference.
Oh my God, is that a hacker? No.
They'll probably have you think that some sort of relationship between Superintendent Judo
Yeah, he was
and
DC.
Miss Gray, some
What's up,
sort of
Pancho?
relationship between those two caused Mr. Bald's death. And I'll tell you what, that's fake news. Superintendent Colonel 101 Judo
He
was
called
not
me
present
superintendent. That
around
dick.
Mr. Bald. You heard from Colonel Judo, he had no idea who
Yeah.
Mr. Bald was. In no way, shape, or form was Colonel Judo at fault for what happened to Mr. Bald. That blame is solely at the feet of Miss Gray. She murdered Mr. Bald. I think the evidence is presented to you proves that beyond a single shredded piece of shameful doubt. I told you, beautiful, gorgeous people, that I would show you and tell you this story, and I'll tell you, it's quite a story. I think I've held my side of the bargain. To be very honest, very, very honest, Mrs. Gray should be found guilty, the guiltiest of guilties, maybe life in prison. And that is it. The state rests. Thank you so much. I love you.
Great job. Good
Yes,
job, Trump.
he's the state's attorney
Thank
now.
you. Love you.
You crushed it. I owe you $50. Love you.
Fake news. I love the China speak.
I need to know who this
Huge,
guy
thank
is, man. I am obsessed with this dude now.
Ladies and gentlemen, the jury.
So good.
The state will have you believe that my client set out or intentionally murdered this therapist. As you heard from my own client's testimony, she told him that she no longer needed his services, and he accosted her. He prevented her from leaving, and he assaulted her, to which she responded in self-defense.
Oh, now it's self-defense, huh?
Again, you heard how
You do?
her relationship with Mr. Judo
I love it,
is
man.
that
This dude's
she's
amazing.
all for him. She loves him, and she'll confide in
I
him
need him to
whenever
ride
she
with me.
needs him. You heard that Mr. Judo willingly gave her his phone number and said, "Call me anytime." There was no professional direction of this phone number. There was no only call me if you have an emergency. It was simply call me whenever you need. My client has been
What
through
up, Cody?
a tumultuous amount of emotional damage, a tumultuous amount of emotional stress. I hope no one has ever been put or gets put in the situation that my client has been put into tonight, of confiding into people you trust with everything and then just taking that and throwing it back in your face. And then the state wants to claim conspiracy to commit. There was no conspiracy to commit here tonight. There was no plan to do anything. My client was simply afraid of what happened. She was accosted by a man she trusted. So she went to the one place that same man told her to go, which is to the water, which is to calm
I need this
her
Trump
mind,
guy to ride with me,
to
man.
gather her thoughts.
I'm
But then
obsessed.
she was intercepted on the way to do that. And then again, another friendly face shows up, where she again feels confident in that man and can confide in him. And then the tampering of evidence. Again, Miss Gray is not a doctor. She's not a medical professional. She merely acted in self-defense. She thought he was sleeping as any normal person would if a person is laying on the ground.
We're both saying this.
So again,
He's great. What up, Night
you have
Stalker?
to take into
What's up,
consideration
Peg
the
Leg?
emotional state that my client was in, the fear for her life that was happening right before her eyes, the sheer sheer emotional trauma that she endured
Rubber duck.
during
what up, man?
all events that were laid out before you.
Art. I don't know how to
Thank
say
you.
your name
Have a good
ever. Red
Judo, you
rubber
dog, you.
duck.
Get it, Dad. Wait, this is still awkward.
It's very awkward.
Man, she's my type of woman. She's crazy.
All right. Well, that being said, in the closing statements, the jury will now go back into the
Don't think
cafe.
you have to quit, right?
Come up with a verdict. And there will be an approximately 30-minute recess until.
Oh my God.
30-minute? No way.
Everybody can stay away. From
How's
the
what
cafe.
up, baby?
Huge.
What's up,
Huge.
sexy?
Vote for me.
So
But-
we come back in third.
It's
Where's
gotta
the
be.
cafe?
It's gotta be quicker than that,
Can I
right?
get your
Can't be
number
30
too?
minutes, right? 30 minutes is too long. Oh, hi, hacker.
Yeah.
Can I
gotta
get
be.
your number?
Yeah, I'll give you my number. What do you need it for?
I don't know if I ever get beat up by my girlfriend.
Yeah, absolutely. They
you
twisted
have a-
my words to
don't
make
you
me
have a
sound like a
wife?
horrible person. Yeah, I'll give you my number.
What's your number?
You want to tell the defense attorney I share my contact information with anyone that asks?
Lay's girlfriend now?
Oh, God. I got updates.
Oh my God.
You're not gonna try
Hey,
to steal
fix your
Ling
back.
from me, are you?
What? No. Why would I do that? I don't want Ling Ling.
I don't know. It sounds like you're stealing people's girlfriends.
Thank
All
you.
right, I sent you my
Huge. I
contact.
tell you, I like your vest there, sir.
Allegedly.
Well,
Looks
thank
like-
you. You know
Looks
what?
like it keeps your neck warm on a cold day.
Exactly, Trump. Plus, if you look out there, allegedly it's snowing, so that's not fake news. But everything else today, it's definitely some fake news. Oh my gosh,
Fake
you brought
news,
the
fake
nacho
news.
cheese chips.
I tell you what.
knows me.
Someone is not with these.
What's that, sir?
Oh my
somebody
goodness
might be
gracious.
out
Thank
of
you.
order.
I just
Yes,
wanted
ma'am.
to see our
got
fine
you.
men and
Yeah.
women in blue go hungry.
Excuse me.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, this campaign.
Oh, hi, how are you?
I'm good. Do you need my number too?
Maybe I'm hungry.
You're not quite my type, sir. Thank you, though.
That's not why. Okay.
I know.
A hacker's not my type.
Oh, wow.
Objection, aggressive banter. I'll tell you.
Not aggressive.
Hey, Mr. Trump.
Huge, yes, sir.
What's your special number?
So is this get up support of Green Gang? Is that what this is, and not your normal clothing?
466. I'll tell you. The best number today.
You hear
Play the
him?
lottery with
You
that
hear
one.
me? Call me a dingbat.
All right, I gave you more than 50.
Huge.
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 Actually, I think you dropped it like 5 times. I probably owe you more than that. It was great.
I mean, I
So
got
I will make
apartment
sure
issue
without a
stuff
shadow
out
of
the
a
way.
doubt they know that the news
Yeah,
was
but
fake.
apparently, according
Fake
to Silly
news.
McGee Smitty, you can wear green shoes.
I wanna ask him if he's Chinese.
No.
To old man Smitty.
That's LSPD, brother.
What's
We
up,
don't
brother?
get State.
Yeah, that's not us, brother.
Hey, Mr.
Hello there, how are you?
Attorney Man.
Good, you?
I'm
Mr.
doing okay.
Attorney Man,
You're
I
in the
want to
wrong
ask you a
corner,
question.
homie.
Do you know the difference between the English alphabet and the Christmas alphabet? Huge. The Christmas alphabet has
Oh,
no
sure, my sound's
L.
back. Oh, my bad, bro, my bad. I had to shut it off because people were playing during like other.
Huge.
Do I hear Nacho?
China. I was about to ask you this.
What are we doing?
China.
Why are we
That
punching
shirt was made in
females?
China right there.
What are you doing?
Why are we punching people in the courtroom?
Hey, get over there.
What you gonna do about it?
100%.
Hey,
What?
I need you to relax.
I am relaxed.
Tough guy.
Oh, okay. You want to run your mouth? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Judo.
I wasn't squaring up on
Yes.
him. I was squaring up on you.
You need to get your butt
I
over
was
there.
squaring up on him.
Well, here's the.
Oh, yeah.
Why'd you hit my old lady?
No.
Don't you dare.
So
I'm
much
not
No,
doing
me,
that.
I'm crazy.
I know you're crazy. I just gave you my number, but here, I got something for you.
You better
Akra,
say
watch your back.
Hang on.
Yeah, that big guy's got
Oh,
my
look,
back.
he's giving his number to somebody
I'll
else.
do it again.
I wouldn't recommend it.
I did give my number to
We're
him.
friends. We're friends. I don't want to do this.
Oh.
Oh.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Awkward.
Awkward.
I don't know. He came right up on me.
Oh.
Any last words?
I'm sorry.
Why are you hugging somebody else?
Oh, because he'll never love you.
Did anybody search Miss Gray?
I don't even know you.
No.
That's okay.
I
Do we
can't
know
hug
she
other
doesn't have
people
any more baseball bats?
I just want to know why you're hugging other people.
because he asked me. Like he said nice things to me, so I gave him a hug.
Oh, so that's all it takes, huh?
Quite simply, yes.
Getting a lot of notes
Whisper
from my new
sweet
book I'm
nothings in
writing.
his ear.
You're being a little. You're acting like your brother.
How am I acting like my brother?
I gave a guy a hug, and you're like jumping down my throat. We're not even in a relationship.
Yes,
Never will be.
are. Why are you in such denial?
I think she was trying to clean.
I think he's just mad because he can't
So,
satisfy you.
Vivian and Judo.
Hey, turn Willow.
So we need to get
Yes, sir.
a test.
We don't need to
like,
get a test. She's
immediately.
27. You're 29. It's physically impossible.
Brother, we need to have a test because she's also calling me dad. So that's the problem.
Well, maybe she calls you dad for a different reason. You ever consider that?
Angel, don't listen to
Oh
Judo.
my God.
Don't listen to Judo.
I mean,
He's lying.
Hey, there might be something to that.
I mean, she
actually.
called me.
Hand on the
She
lawyer's
called me
butt.
daddy, but I didn't get like all like, oh, that's my daughter. You're the one that took it there.
That's true. That's true. That's big facts. Hey, I don't know your name, ma'am, over there, but that's true.
What are they doing over there in the corner?
Where's she
What
going?
are you doing?
Down here.
What are you doing?
He's
Get
creeping.
up.
He's creeping.
You ever notice how
You
this
don't
guy's
see
so
this.
tan? He looks like an Oompa Loompa.
What?
Yeah, I did. I need that
Yeah,
skin.
just
I
look at
need to
his
hit the
face.
sun.
my
the
God.
sun.
Look at his face. He's so tan. He looks like an Oompa Loompa.
That's great.
Do you have anything to say?
No, I think there is a trooper
as Trump
that
mentioned
works
earlier,
at our
fake news,
agency
everyone.
that
You
gets
shouldn't
spray
talk
tan.
to Trump like that. That's very
Hey,
rude.
is she okay?
That guy definitely.
What do you
breaks
mean?
everything.
How was I talking rude to him?
With the fake tan. That's mean.
You okay down
that
there?
wasn't me. That was someone
Oh,
else.
yeah, you
What are you
can't
putting
see.
words in my mouth?
Do you
I
know
can't see.
that the custodial
Okay.
crew is Quinn?
Okay.
That
I was getting a penny. I found a penny on the floor.
Frankly, I
Oh,
tell you, it might
okay.
be the most filthy floor.
Did you tell Viv that
Live TV.
I asked you out on a date at the wedding?
I'll tell you what, I've been on a lot of TV.
Wait, there's so much
I've told
talking.
a lot
What?
of people you're
Did
fired.
you tell Viv I asked you out on a date during the wedding?
We're streaming straight to
No,
Fulton
I don't
County.
want to die.
Oh, you did? Oh, you did?
But I should probably bring that up in court for sure.
Yeah, I might bring it up in the middle of the
Innocence, allegedly, it's
the
all
jury's
there. I tell you,
verdict.
100%
She did, dog.
It's there. I love the people in Georgia. The people in Georgia, they have great beaches.
I'm gonna go tell her right
I
now,
know
actually.
everything about beaches.
Yeah,
I love
yeah, yeah.
beaches,
I wanna see how
beach
this
coffee,
turns out.
beach pie, I've done it. Candied beaches.
Go tell Viv.
Love Georgia beaches.
Wait, what do I?
I'll tell you what
Come
else
here.
is great about Georgia. Allegedly.
What's up?
I jokingly asked Willow on a date during a wedding.
Say it one more time.
Tell Viv that I asked Willow on a date during a wedding. Let's see what she says.
Because I'm not having to worry about it.
Whoa. Who said he's a criminal?
Oh, we know everyone over there is.
Allegedly.
Okay, so he didn't deny it, but he didn't approve it. So that
In the
tells me
present
something.
moment, he's not a criminal. He's a
hear us.
patron.
Hey, Oompa Loompa, calm down. All right, look.
Well, Lupa.
Yeah, you look
Yeah,
like an Oompa Loompa.
that's
You really
mean
do, though.
to Trump. You're calling Trump that.
No,
You're
you
calling
got
Trump
green
that.
hair, You look like. Anyway.
What?
Hey, Trump.
So anyway, supposedly,
Yes, can I help you? Who said it?
Judo asked her out on a date during some sort of wedding or something like that.
Sir, how can I help you?
When?
It was disgusting.
There you
When?
go. She happily accepted. From what I heard, allegedly.
Oh, is that me and you? I'll tell
You
I
accepted?
was there. On the hayride?
Yeah, I was on top of the hay bales.
Why are you guys lying so much?
Hey, go ahead and
What
fill
they're
in
good
the
at. All they
rest.
do is lie.
Hey, all right, calm down with that fake mustache, all
Hey,
right?
yo,
Wait.
fake news man, shut your face.
So wait, so
Yeah.
you're saying that you took me on a date and then also asked one of my best friends out?
Right? We never took you on a date. It was myself, Lieutenant Townsend,
You
and
took
Captain.
me on a date.
There was two other guys with us. We took you to the hospital.
Yeah, as a diversion from my brother to make sure it looked like we were going to the hospital, and then you took me on a date.
No, we went and drove go-karts as a group.
Sounds like a group date to me.
Nah, we was trying to de-escalate the situation because he had her handcuffed upstairs. But you know what? He's standing right next to you, and you ain't said a word to him. So what kind of tough guy are you, huh? At least I did something. You just encourage it.
If it's not guilty, it's fake news, I'll tell you.
Hey, sir.
Thought so.
Brother, are you a judge? Are you?
Yeah, you are
a
enabling
lawyer?
her psychosis.
I am, yes.
How is that?
Hey,
I'm
psychopath.
not
ID or
crazy.
anything?
Yeah,
Like his-
it runs in the
Yeah,
family.
he wears his around his neck.
That's apparent.
No, I didn't get one.
I'm surprised she ain't hit me yet.
Okay.
No.
Well, we'll see how this works out, but I'm pretty sure that
doesn't have
The
ID.
normal human beings in the world will understand that we were in a relationship.
Not around his neck.
Why is she yelling?
Because this is what happens when crazy
Like
people
right
get
here.
their way.
Just first safety and security.
We'll see what happens. I'm gonna leave you alone till
I'm
then.
not searching you, but why has he got a gun on him then?
Whoa, what's going on here?
Oh.
Because he doesn't have ID.
I told you he's with me.
I don't. Doesn't matter. He doesn't have ID. He represented himself as an attorney.
You got a spider on your foot, sir.
Hey, Willow.
So he has a gun. So he needs to leave and drop
He's
it
an
off.
attorney. He does not need to leave.
I don't.
What's up?
Well,
And arguably, you can't open carry a rifle into a courthouse.
Yeah, someone's looking for the owner.
I'm doing security.
I
search.
also don't have a
He's
gun.
doing
So I'm
security.
not sure what we're talking about here.
So he does have a handgun on him.
All right, y'all two, just take it outside. Let's go. Let's go.
No, my attorney's not leaving the courthouse. He's supposed to be here.
Okay, he can come back in a moment. I just need them to take it out so we don't create any extra drama.
Do you have a lawyer badge on you?
No, I do not, but I also
see
don't have
one.
a gun.
There you go.
Go get a lawyer badge real quick.
I will do that.
Oh, that solves that.
What do you got? Sweat.
Exercising abusive power over here. I love it.
Oh, you're a
Exercising
victim.
your abusive
You're a victim.
Cry me a river.
No, it's
I'm
not my
just
cop. It's
standing
not my
here.
fault. Your cops aren't smart enough to understand
I
that
want
I
you
said
to
a
take the
lawyer
bus, go
is
back
with
over there.
me, so he's allowed to be here.
Brother, your
But
word
come
is-
on.
You gotta
You
have
made
ID.
you said I had a
I
fake
have an ID
relationship.
and I have a
you,
lawyer
I don't
badge.
trust
you
you.
have an ID. He does not.
Yeah, that's
professional
exactly
liar.
it.
So why would I lie and say he's with me?
Because you're a professional liar.
No, I'm not. I
Fuck
point out
this.
facts.
You just lied up there.
fabricate them and lie all day long.
Oh, really? You
As
better.
I pointed
Hey, I will
out.
sue you for slander. Keep saying it.
You can't. It's
Yeah.
facts.
It's not.
It is. And plus, if you were to sue me,
It's
I'd be the
opinion.
one representing you. So have fun with that.
Well, wouldn't that be?
I get
nice
Trump to
do that?
represent me. Trump's the
Yeah,
best.
Trump would do it.
He's gonna make
No,
court
not
great
when you do
again.
Civil suits. On my side is civil suits. So have fun with that.
Hey, he's gonna make court great
I'm
again.
sorry, is that a threat?
He's so short and angry. I don't understand.
Sounds like it was a threat, Kaz.
To have
I thought it
fun
was
with
a-
that
I
is
thought it
a
was a-
statement to say have fun.
Hey, now
So
who's the
you're
corrupt
not
one?
going to uphold
Who's the
to,
corrupt
your,
one
to
now?
your duty and to represent a person? Is that what you're
I
telling
didn't
me?
say I wouldn't represent him. I said
well,
that civil
Yes.
suits are on my side and have fun with that, meaning that we could turn it into entertainment if he wants to.
Exactly.
So where
You're
in there is
basically
a threat if I
stating
said have fun with that?
having fun with that means that you're not going to hold him to
It
the higher
doesn't
standard.
not mean
you know?
anything. If I say have fun with that, that means go have fun. If I said I will not represent you in a civil suit, then that means I'm not going to do it.
I'll tell you,
Those
quite
words never
frankly,
came
at
out
this
of my
point,
mouth.
y'all are all confusing. This is a whole bunch of fake news.
I'm very
99
confused
Poku,
as
I'll
well.
tell you.
It's not hard to confuse 5 people with a combined IQ of 12. So
Oh my goodness.
You shouldn't talk about your people
Sir.
over there like that, brother.
Really should.
Be,
One,
you
two,
need to be
three,
more
four,
professional.
five.
You need to be
That's
more
what I'm
professional.
for.
You're acting like a child right now.
What a
You really are. I don't know how you even got your
Well,
bar
he's kinda
exam
dressed like
license.
one too, so,
because I'm
you
gonna
know.
get him revoked.
Tattoos.
you would love to try to revoke my bar license, wouldn't you, Kelly?
I wouldn't be
Smart
hard.
Ben,
enough to
I
have
will.
fun.
It's
I mean,
so annoying.
the
dog.
police
I gotta
academy
walk away.
entrance exam is literally made for
I gotta walk
16-year-olds, so anybody could pass it.
Is that one of the guys I fired from the apartment or something? That dude is like legit attacking everyone. Oh, it's snowing again. We get this thing resolved. We're good.
No, we're not good.
Who is this guy?
Thank
He
you.
doesn't know his bar number. He's trying to say I planted a gun on him.
I never said that. You said you found one, but I don't have one on me.
All right. Where's Dutton? Where's
Where's the blonde hair? Like, look good in
Hey,
it.
Sergeant Bennett?
Yeah, Fabio.
Can you handle this situation for me?
Which one?
This one right in front of you.
The lawyer?
Yeah, it's getting.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a lawyer.
Is he?
Yeah, I looked him up.
Yeah.
I looked him up on the tablet. He's a lawyer.
All right, let's let him in.
But I mean,
Yo.
There's bees.
Oh my God.
What an asshat.
Right? I know, right? What the hell's wrong with that guy? Like, what the world did I do to him, dude? I just turned around and watched one of my troopers try to keep a gun out of a courtroom. This guy's flipping out.
Giant crybaby.
And now they're
Crybaby
outside
syndrome.
arguing too.
Who's outside argument?
That lawyer and that trooper.
Cool. He's not allowed back in until he has a badge on, and then even then he's not allowed to carry a weapon. And I don't care who he is.
Oh, did he had a gun on him?
Well, he says he doesn't.
Allegedly.
But allegedly he did.
Oh yeah, he's not coming back in here with a weapon. He can put it in his car and leave it there.
Yeah, right. Exactly. I don't.
I'll put him in cuffs and take him over.
Who's
Where are
this?
your shoes?
Who was that trooper? Anyways, he was arguing with.
I'm a free spirit. I don't need shoes.
You got nasty toes.
You're gonna get frostbite is what you're gonna get, Willow.
I know, right?
Who?
They didn't call you on
Sorry.
stand. They didn't call Rookie on
What
stand, but they made him be here, and I think he's
I
screaming.
was
I
asking
feel
about
bad.
who had the weapon.
It's this lawyer out here that doesn't have a badge.
Yeah, but they looked him up. He is a lawyer, so.
Oh, good.
All right, sir. Enjoy your night. Hey, you good, bro?
No, I know he had a handgun on him. He's lying.
Did he?
He absolutely did.
Oh boy, what's his name?
Draper ran him. I don't know his name.
Okay. All right. Well,
I know. I'm 100% confident he had a handgun on him.
All right. I'll address it through the court system. Don't worry.
All right.
Thank you for everything you did, bud.
Oh, absolutely. And just something didn't sit right with me.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
appreciate
why I came
it.
back in.
Yeah, and he was sitting right behind me too, so I really appreciate it. I should give him a colonel's award, don't you think?
Oh my
He
gosh.
saved my life.
Aw.
It was huge.
Massive fake news, China. You know the whole thing, etc.
Why are you yelling?
I'm not yelling.
Just kidding.
That's just his normal voice.
You should know that by now.
He just projects.
I know. I'm just kidding.
100%.
He is your son.
Dude, how long's this verdict gotta go?
Apparently
Gosh.
we're not. He's wanting to have a test done.
He did call you.
No,
He
wait,
did call you son.
Listen, Rookie.
Yeah.
Please tell him that his daughter that he claims is 27 and he's 29, and that's physically impossible.
That don't make any sense.
Well, did you ever go to the future? Or the past? I guess it'd be the past.
Yeah, it'd be the past.
I plead the fifth.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
see, there you go.
Wait, you're a time traveler? I got some stuff I gotta fix, bro.
Delulu.
Why are you holding out on me? You're my son. You're
That's
holding
why
this
your
out on me?
family has money.
Maybe I'm your grandfather.
Right.
What?
Wait, what?
Just a time traveler. Maybe I'm your grandfather.
So I'm your great grandpa?
No, maybe I'm your grandfather.
Keller,
This is
stop
how they
with
make
the
this family tree, dude.
theatrics.
It's so crazy. Whoa.
Stop with
Whoa.
the theatric.
What?
Hello.
So what are you doing up here?
It's still.
Oh,
it's still
checking
makes
out
it weird
things.
though if you're his
I heard
great
there's a
grandfather.
big hearing that involved my buddy Judo.
Keller needs
Hey,
to learn how to wear
hacker,
a raincoat
we
when
got
it
a
rains.
problem with you. Why were you shooting outside the hospital 2 nights ago?
What? No way.
You and Miss Ling Ling was
Fake
firing
news.
on a Tundra while I was walking outside and drove off into the sunset. Would
What
you like
is
to talk
going
to
on
me
with this
about that?
verdict?
What were you in the hospital for, sir?
I was in the
question.
hospital because of we had a SRT operation that went south. And then we
Oh
had to get medical
yeah,
treatment.
that was
Did
them.
you have to get treatment, sir?
I did.
Oh, what happened to you?
He got shotted, did?
You got shot, huh? So you were pretty well like under duress when you came out of the hospital. That you were probably for sure it was me. See, I'd
He
be a
should-
good
Colonel,
lawyer.
I was
huh?
gonna say, he's
I
good-
need you to
I was gonna say
represent
the
me.
same thing. I was gonna say he could be a good lawyer.
I need you to
He'd be-
represent me when we sue that lawyer in there for slander.
Yeah, defamation, right?
Defamation
Got
of
that word in
character,
there.
dude.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go.
Okay.
Lawyer words. Let's go. Keep them
Lawyer
coming.
words.
Come on, rookie.
Okay, well, do you have anything else to say?
Oh, I'm
Objection?
sorry. I was in a massive headache. What was going on?
I said, what were you in the hospital for?
Oh, I got shot by an
Oh.
orange member.
Yeah, so you were under duress and you
I
didn't know
have
it was
not
me
got her
for sure.
flashlight before, but she's
No,
taking one of
100%
mine.
saw you shooting at a
No, I mean-
Tundra is what I'm saying.
It
Because I
sounds
had
like
other
you're pretty
officers-
stressed out when you came out of the hospital, sir.
Well, I had other officers there
Oh.
see you do it, so
But-
that's
but
the
it's-
problem.
That's just words of mouth, just like the slander that's going on inside that courtroom today.
I'm not trying to slander you. I just would like
Who?
to see if you want to talk
Who's
about it.
slandering who?
Oh.
He's referencing the lawyer slandering us.
Yeah, I've got
Slash
it.
me.
Yeah, yeah, mostly you. Yeah.
It's okay, Keller. Not everybody can like identify. There's other people that wear pinstripe suits with red bow ties, black shoes, black pants, a red mohawk, and a
Hacker,
mask.
you're the
Yes?
only one that has a face that beautiful that a mother could only love.
That's true.
Oh my
That's
God.
true. He got me there.
You do look very nice tonight.
Thank you.
Oh, let me take that back. Anne Ling Ling, because she did marry you. I will take that back. Anne
Yeah,
Ling Ling.
she's such a
I
hell of
think
a woman.
she might just be scared of him, to be honest.
No, I'm scared of her, man.
I was about to say,
I would
If I
be
pulled
too.
the same crap that you just pulled in there, thinking, oh my gosh, she will kill me.
Yeah, that's true.
Probably.
Yeah,
Is
my
the
number to
jury back
another
yet?
girl.
Nope.
Oh my
Oh
lord.
crap, FBI, you didn't see me?
I'm crap. It's hacker.
Who that is? Who that is?
It's good.
FBI, FBI.
The Fed boys are here. Don't say nothing.
The Fed boys.
Fed boys. All right, let me go out here and see if everything's copacetic outside.
30 minutes for a debate.
Defense attorney in an elf outfit.
We copacetic out here, boys?
Yeah, we're just running over the whole scenario.
Yeah, it's all right. It'll be addressed.
Like I said, sir, I'm 100% confident he had a handgun on him.
Oh, I believe you. Nah, it's 0% chance I believe him. Are you kidding me? His buddy just said our entire department is power hungry and corrupt and liars.
His buddy's a joke.
No, like I
So,
said,
this is gonna get addressed.
He threw that lawyer thing out the door, and he was like, I didn't realize you searched attorneys, and it just after he walked in, we were kind of talking about it. It was like no ID, no anything, and it just didn't sit right with me. And so I was like, I'm going back in and search that guy. It just didn't sit right with me.
Good
Yeah.
on you.
He probably gave his gun to the other attorney in there.
That's what I think. And he also spent some time at the counter too, at the computer. So I don't know if maybe dropped it off there or what. But I'm 100% confident he had a gun.
He does take his job seriously. I don't know who this is though. I feel bad. What up, Sarah? How you doing?
Is the judge still in? Is he just kind of sitting there?
What? They're waiting on the verdict for some reason still.
I'm gonna go ahead
Say she's guilty already.
Rush him up. Yeah, she's guilty as hell.
As hell.
Leave him alone.
If he stabs you, you're getting the stab. No, if he
Uh-oh.
stabs you, I'm beating him.
He's got like 20 knives in that scooter. He's got like 20 knives in that scooter.
He just wants to
Yeah,
show
she
you a
said
magic
she
trick.
wanted the knife.
I don't even have to do this. I got all these people around
Stabber,
here.
you're going to Pound Town with me.
Y'all better get on the ready.
Going to pound.
It's about to go down.
I'm gonna drop my cigarette.
Batting practice. He's going to batting practice.
Swear.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
Come on, Judah. You don't know buy the book. No, I don't. Bro, I have 80 plus troopers. What are you talking about? Mitchell, I know you because like everything you've done for the department.
Oh, I love it.
And I feel bad because I don't know everybody I used to.
No.
I do.
And you know how awkward it is to walk in and be like, what's your name? It's like, gosh, dang it. Alright, looks like this is calming down. Alright, I'm gonna go see if the freaking jury's back. Ugh, no way, Honcho. Quit playing with me. How we looking?
I don't know yet. They were trying to find a judge. I don't know where their chambers are in here.
Oh, me either.
Over here. He's back here.
Is he back there?
Go through the double door and then the first door on your left.
Yeah, go ahead. I don't know what you're looking for him for. What's up here?
What are you looking for?
Touche.
Somebody was. Oh no, the other. Who's the other? Somebody was.
Jobson?
Maybe in there already.
Toilet? Jobson? Oh. What the crap? What's up, Sheriff? Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hopefully this verdict hurries up. I have literally never been up here. We have someone named Mixon. That wasn't nice. I just heard Tase. DMV passport. Oh, there's no long line. That's weird. What's this way? Passport, huh? Oh, the mayor's office. Yo, we got a mayor's office? Yo, why can't I have an office like this? The office is dope. My office is tiny. His is huge. Uh-oh. Kitchen.
Should we just go? Oh, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Look at the pretty snow.
I don't know. Ray Boring, I really don't know. He's going. Wait, I just seen. Oh, that's
Hey,
a
bro,
jury.
there's a Jesus. Jesus is outside. Excuse me, you're not meant to be here.
I've been just exploring. I'm not paying attention. I'm exploring.
Okay, bye, dude. I love you.
Bye, love ya. Oh, hey, Jesus.
Excuse me. Hello. How did you know my name? Oh.
Well, it's obvious.
Must be the cross.
Yeah, it must be the cross.
Really?
Are they ready yet? We don't even have desks to write reports, man. Yeah, we do. You lie, sir. Go upstairs. I wonder how much longer this jury's gonna be.
It should be wrapping up here soon.
Sweet. That's huge.
Just trying to be acting all big and bad in front of his boys.
Alright, good night, guys. Good luck.
Mr. Trump.
Yeah, how you doing, sir?
So good. I need you to go on some ride-alongs with me.
You want to do it? We'll do the thing.
Yeah, we'll do it. I'll hit you up in Discordia. I need you to ride along with me.
Yes, we'll do. Absolutely,
Awesome.
100%. We'll go. What do you call them, turds?
I call them dirt bags, yeah.
Dirt bags. We'll take down the dirt bags.
There you
I'll
go.
tell you.
I would be honored, sir.
Can I see that sign real quick? Did you make that
This-
sign?
Yes, sir. This is
You
what
did?
democracy looks like.
Is that how you spell opportunity?
That's how it was taught to me in my school.
Huge. How do you spell school?
Oh,
Did they
dog,
teach you
come
that
on,
one?
guys.
S
Go
C
upstairs,
K
explore, bro.
O U L.
Good job.
School.
10 out of 10. I think they did a great job for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Too bad you are trying, to put my sister in jail. But
Huge.
other
I'll
than
tell you, quite frankly, I wish she wouldn't have beaten the guy over there with a bat until he was dead.
Dead.
It's tragic.
Dead. Sir.
Tragic. Somebody's life ended. This is a
Allegedly.
tragedy. I'll tell you, it's huge.
Dead.
Dead.
allegedly huge. It's allegedly huge.
Allegedly huge. I tell you, no, I'm not a judge. I'm not the jury. I tell you, I think she's guilty as guilty can be. Allegedly.
How'd you get the sign inside?
Shh. I hid it
Oh,
somewhere
come on.
that you don't want to know.
Go explore. You guys have a whole entire office upstairs.
Well, a hacker stabbed Keller, so now we're back.
Yep.
Oh boy, are you serious?
What?
No, not
Yeah.
This is
Allegedly.
what
we all. There's no allegedly.
It was for the love of judo.
Oh gosh.
Wait, that's my son. You freak.
No,
Well-
there's
Put me right here. I'll sit right here, nice and easy. Come on, man.
Your Honor.
I don't go nowhere.
Patty?
I did get a signed knife from him though.
Yeah, those probably used to commit a crime. So
Should we run forensics on it?
Department funds. Yeah, I
Absolutely.
got department
All right,
funds.
I'll run that later.
Huge. Yeah. Do you have the murder weapon?
Of his, it's on him still. They probably searched him.
I'll sit.
We should take it. Yeah. See if there's any blood on it. Take the DNA fingerprints. Huge. Big time.
yeah. Then we could take the DNA from him and match it to yours.
Allegedly stabbed
yeah,
somebody.
except for the fact that your prints are now on it.
It's all speculation.
On what? I don't have it. I think it's still there. Somewhere.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
You might still even have it.
No
Who knows?
witnesses.
No witnesses.
Miles
Huge.
Davis.
Probably the guy who just got stabbed witnessed it.
Right.
Probably.
And his wife.
What a great observation, Trump.
Huge. I'll tell you, I only have 2 eyes.
See, everybody
Oh, he's back. He's not gonna be
Hey, Keller.
Sir, I heard you're a little bit
I am
holy.
Miles Davis.
I'm not sitting.
Call you Pope Keller because
hey,
you're so
Keller.
holy.
You poke killer.
The new holiness.
He had
Hey,
to stab me.
That's all I heard of.
You want that one has. You want me to sign it? Just uncuff me.
No, you already
Where did
signed
he
it.
stab
I
you
saw.
at?
No,
He
the one
stabbed
I
me in the
said-
chest,
I
sir,
did
right
sign
below
that
my
one, then.
cam.
Dude, how
I
are you
want to
feeling?
make money someday.
I just got out of the hospital. I was carrying my. It was horrible.
Sounds terrible. Dreadful. Did you wash
Look
your
fine to
hands?
me.
Hey, Payne.
Big boy.
God, I hope the doctors did. They
Do you know if the jury's coming back soon, sir?
Yeah. They one of them had to pop their head. They should.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
I hope you know that.
No.
Well, at least I will tell you this with pure honesty: you are my favorite. Those deputies were reprimanded for that.
Yeah, I know. I got a lot of road rash.
Me too. And they're like, oh, it's better than getting stabbed. I'm like, sure.
Yes, here we go.
The jury's here.
We're here. Don't worry. We're all good.
That guy's annoying.
Yep.
That is a new station. Brand new right before you joined.
Hey, just sitting here in cuffs.
Maybe next city.
What happened to you, Keller?
Just kidding. I didn't mean it. I said it.
Is the other prosecutor gone?
I heard it though. I'll remember that.
What did I say?
That you
Hey, Keller.
would do the same if you were with me.
Oh, shh.
That's not what. That's not what.
Hey, Donald, quiet.
Sorry, Your Honor. Huge. I love you.
Yes, it is how Trump made all his money.
Jury's present.
Yeah.
All right, jury. This is your official verdict. That is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, as per the jury's verdict, Miss Gray, as of count one, voluntary manslaughter, you were found guilty of voluntary manslaughter. As for count two, murder in the second degree, you were found not guilty. Count three, obstruction of justice, you were found not guilty. As for count four, conspiracy to commit, you were found guilty. And as for count 5, for evidence tampering, you were also found guilty. With that being said,
My man.
sentencing wise, I'm going to reprimand you into the custody of state police, as they're the only department here for 85 months.
85, is that what you
based
said?
off of the jury's verdict.
You're gonna put me in custody.
Not second degree murder?
I thought.
You gotta
The
go do
justice
that.
system at work again.
Mr. Frank, could you
There we go.
repeat what you said? I couldn't hear.
She's afraid of being put into the custody of the man who betrayed her, but also the defense would like to motion for time served. She's done her 20 months in bond and then time
No,
served
she
for
did
40
do 20
periods.
months. I see. Okay, because that was not. We'll do that one minute.
You know, whenever the defense talks, I'm like, you know.
Well, how did they not charge her with murder but voluntary manslaughter?
He's
I mean,
got a
hell,
point.
allegedly.
Because she
stabbed
got up
you
there
again.
and said that
No. You
it
did
was
it.
self-defense.
Yeah, it's bad for your health. You should see it.
Hey, did you know if you can kill anybody, it's involuntary manslaughter as long as you say
Yeah, I
it's
saw that.
self-defense?
Yeah.
Weird.
It's wild. This jury's stupid.
Crazy.
Fake
Well,
news.
justice system at work.
Fake news.
Alright, dozed off.
Well, with that being said, in those calculations, that's great. Then we'll get time served. Sentencing wise, however, vertical stand. Anything else, defense?
Just a note that we've been in court for 2+ hours. Just as a note.
Yes, she will get time served completely.
Oh my goodness.
Nothing else, Your Honor.
Anything from the state?
Not right now, Your Honor.
Fake news.
All right. Court is adjourned. I appreciate everybody's time. It is very much appreciated. Thank you to the jury.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Where are you going?
Alright, I'm
We
with
gotta
Rob
deal with
6 Bang.
Hacker
See you
now,
later.
Angel.
All right, somebody go get Ben.
Hey, whoa!
It's about
Have
to
a
go
fan.
up down out here. Watch.
I'll have you know.
Yes, ma'am. Have me know what? I can't hear you.
That-
What?
I will have you know that I will
Hacker,
not
let's
let
go.
you do
Hacker,
that
let's
to
go.
any
Hacker,
woman
move,
ever
move.
again.
What's that mean?
Push hacker, push hacker, push hacker.
You'll
push hacker
find out.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's like that?
It's like
Yeah.
that. now?
Turds.
Yeah,
Beef and
it's like
cheddar.
that.
Turd.
Hey,
Where's that one cop? You want to frisk me again,
Turd.
cop?
I'm an innocent
You're
man.
talking trash.
Beef and cheddar.
Hey,
Do you want to frisk me again?
I need you to stop starting
Hey.
trash outside. If you're a lawyer, act
Hey,
like one to be professional.
Turds.
Hey.
Turds.
The
Turds.
judge wants to talk to you, man.
Turds.
Yeah, we need to
Who
stop
you
him.
talking
We
to?
need to stop him. Yep.
I
Who's
missed
Polar
you.
Bear talking to?
Oh, I miss you too.
Who needs
I
to
missed
see-
you too.
Judge needs to see who?
You look fantastic in your
Hey, sir. If
suit
you
there,
want to
sir.
go. Yeah, he's
Thank
right
you, thank you. I mean, I gotta look good as the mayor, so.
Hacker, get over here!
Oh, the judge's about to
my
reprimand him for that.
God, Jesus Christ.
How does time served take into account defeats the entire person? I don't know, man. See if she got found guilty. What's up, Deputy Ward? I didn't see there, but I'm sorry. I was too focused on this.
Is that blood yours?
If she got found guilty of murder, I think she would have got time. I guess all the weird dreams she had makes her insane, so not able
Alright,
to think
well,
straight. I
that
guess should have been on last night. Yeah,
Fortunate.
That
I feel that
literally didn't make any
could have gone
sense.
better. Yeah, absolutely. I should have wrote a better report, honestly.
Time served in court, though.
Yeah, next time I'll just write a better report. I mean, there's stuff I left out, but
No,
the body
justice
cam
system
itself,
here
they've
is-
seen the body cam. The body cam itself spoke for itself. I mean, like legitimately, she admitted to everything and admitted to killing
Oh, I
him on
know.
purpose. So, and
Yeah.
then she said self-defense, and he was like, "Oh," and the jury's like, "Oh, okay."
Yeah,
Yeah,
self-defense makes
manslaughter.
sense.
She said I think she just threatened to kill me. To be honest with you, I mean that's the way I took it. What's up,
Yeah,
Octane?
that's the way I
Thanks for
took it.
follow. All right. Well, what are we gonna do? Roll out of here.
Only one thing to do.
Get out of here.
Keep this state safe.
Yep. Hey, you ready there, Bennett?
Ready when you are, boss.
Whose dang phone is that? I need to call Rex's phone. I forgot to call your phone. You should have told me. You
I
turd.
did tell you.
I will not
The bed?
vote for mayor.
I did tell you, and you forgot.
If not, I can give
Where they take him out, you know?
All right, we're gonna see if this works.
All right.
The Nina, the
Perfect.
Pinta, the Santa Maria.
I do in the matter when we're drinking
Whoa.
Say it the
sangria.
next murder.
Nice, officer.
Bye, douche.
Hey, Oompa
Oh,
Loompa.
God.
Yeah, just keep going. You're good. We're good.
Ugh,
Keep
that's-
going. Oh,
Good.
That's murder.
Hey, later, Oompa Loompa. Your
I thought she was
mama
gonna flip out on the stand, and she didn't. I was really hoping she would.
Why do you look like a
She'll
bear?
get that cuddle.
looks like an Oompa Loompa.
It's snowy outside. My gosh.
It's very snowy.
It's a white Christmas.
It's a
No, it makes
Christmas.
no way.
Baby, it's cold outside.
What'd you say, Ricky?
I was just saying, baby, it's cold outside.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just wanted to hear you say it again.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
It's huge.
Huge.
There's bees.
What is this bee thing? Oh my god. Just leave him. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Okay. Honestly, what is with all these crazy people? I can't get out.
I couldn't get out either.
What's with all these crazy people?
I don't know. It's wild out here.
What are you doing, crazy? Jumping
you
out of moving
stung?
cars? No. What are you
He said
talking
there was
about?
bees.
He's crazy, bro. You can't. Just...
I'm not crazy.
He's been getting evidence
Sheesh.
from Candy Cut.
Yeah,
There was
he's
bees.
pulling.
I
He's
seen
pulling
him.
away.
Listen, I haven't been right since Dr. Bald was murdered.
Dr. Bald.
Huh.
Who the hell's Dr.
Archie Bald.
Oh yeah, I agree. All right, I
That's
guess we're
my-
walking back here.
Was my therapist too.
It was, buddy. I'm sorry.
Of course it was.
He's allergic. He needs
course
to
it was,
SGLB 5150. You want to go harass Green a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah. What are you doing right now?
Me? I'm
Yeah.
just gonna change, get out of the monkey suit.
Oh, get out of monkey suit. I think we're gonna go mess with Green a little bit.
I'm down.
All right.
I'm gonna grab a rifle.
Okay. Oh, mine's upstairs. It's okay.
Oh, mine was in the Vic. Probably.
Stupid.
It's alright. I gotta get off duty, go to sleep.
Oh, you are?
I gotta go in the office tomorrow.
Oh.
The other department office.
Gotcha. All right. Well, appreciate you.
Yeah, man.
See you, homie.
Court was a joke.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not
Always
surprised.
is. Always is.
Always is.
It was funny
So-
though. I enjoyed it.
It was good. It was good.
Didn't like the verdict, but that's all right.
Yeah, well.
I think
That's
the
how it
judge
goes.
did a good job, and so did Trump. Trump did great.
Trump did great. Fantastic.
Made court great again. All right.
Make
Love
me
you,
good
mean it.
court great. Love you, mean it.
You out of here?
You ready? All right. Guess I ought to get in the radio now. Go patrol for a little bit, and then I got to get my butt to bed. Baby is cold outside. Now he's got the dang song stuck in my head, y'all. What? Where was that? Is that
Is
Rex?
this electric vehicle now?
Is what electric? Probably.
Is that what it was? Just recharging the batteries?
Yeah, it's just Rex trying to recharge the battery to make sure we're safe.
Oh, you better shoot it twice. It's 24 volts since it's diesel.
Right. Where the heck did Turd Bag go? Where'd Rookie go?
I don't know.
Chasing bees again? Yeah, this monkey suit too. Oh hey, white hair. Boom shakalaka. Back to me, baby. Come on, Turd, let's go.
Come in. Hold on 1 second.
Hey, thanks for coming support me in court. Oh, okay.
Oh, you're in it. Won't let me in it.
Oh, alright. Alright, I'm in the radio finally tonight.
All right, I'm out of here.
Sonic, appreciate you, buddy.
Yeah, appreciate
Bye,
you.
Sonic.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you too.
Hey, come back! I need a.
Oh, boy.
We need you want the truck or you want the Beamer? There's another Beamer in the garage.
Let's rock the Beamer, Tom.
In the garage.
Alright.
I'm ready.
Okay. We're gonna take a different vehicle.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're gonna take a Beamer.
Oh, the Beamer.
It's coming.
I like your hat.
Thanks, bud. They don't have a Cubs one, so Boston's my second favorite, so rock it. Plus, it makes Yankee fans mad and Cardinal fans mad, which I can't stand the Cardinals.
13
So.
more minutes,
Oh,
Anthony.
boy. I'm not a Cardinals fan either.
All right, Farmer Kid, appreciate you. We'll see you, buddy. Thanks for hanging out. Let's roll, bro.
Postal
Roll.
90, 19. Continuing. Continuing 19, 90, 9, 13. I got pit time started. He's going off road. Can I get another unit?
We got everybody? Oh, we're waiting on him.
Yeah, we're
No,
right
Cap.
across
Captain's
the
not
stadium
coming.
from you.
Yeah, I'm in here. But Captain's
boys
not
coming
coming.
towards you.
Rex
90,
flew
10.
out.
That's where he came
Oh, Rex,
from.
is this us?
Yeah, it's just
Just
us
us
three.
three, yep.
He's coming straight at you under the overpass. Is it the Razor?
We are good to go, sir.
Yeah, affirm. Northbound 9086. 9086.
What's he doing?
Eastbound 91.
I agree, Ross. Plus, you know, the Cardinals lost to the Red Sox twice in World Series, so that's
so
why I
you're
like
aware
them
they're
so
winning
much.
for a House Rover.
F4. Continuing eastbound 9193.
Why is it always the radar stroke so big?
I don't know, dude. I always put it to 55, or yeah, 55, and the other one to 60. I think is what I put it at.
9351 northeastbound. Going off road up towards the oil wells. Eastbound 9381.
Don't run into Samantha or Ling Ling Smithers and St. Louis fan. Oh, I know. That's why I wear the Boston
We're going
hat.
into green.
Yeah, or wherever. I just want to mess with them a little bit, give them a little bit of hell.
I'll take the left one. They're out on foot, running 9383.
I think that lawyer got in some big trouble there.
I think so too. He was.
Guys, my guy's got blue jeans and a blue jacket. Blue
Judge
jeans,
is
blue
like, I
jacket,
need to see you.
9380.
I'm
Run
like,
up the hill, guys.
uh-oh.
If we got a chopper, that'd be wonderful.
Ruh-roh.
Yeah.
Steven, are y'all shooting?
Yep.
Guys, if we can get some unit shots fired,
Steven's
shots
so
fired.
calm.
I know, right?
Here, if we do want to go to that to help him.
You want to go to it?
Where are they at?
They're shooting.
I marked
All right,
it.
let's go. Let's go.
CID 1, we're about to pull up here. We got 5 officers with us.
5 officers.
Jeez.
He's down 9383.
He's down.
Okay.
Suspect
Come take
detained
Smitty
over
out.
here as well.
I would love that. That would
Good
make
work,
me
thank you.
laugh. Nothing would give me more pleasure. Just to hear him get pissed. I love it when he gets mad. He's funnier when he's mad, in my opinion. Heck yeah, boy, we're going to mess with him right now,
Yeah, I
but
really thought that case was going to go a different way, guys.
Oh, tell me they're pulling us over. Tell me state's pulling us over right now.
I don't think so.
He's behind us.
He's got lights on.
Does he really?
Should I run? Should I run? Come on, you're the colonel. Can I run for a little bit?
Yeah, I don't care. I'll call him off on the radio.
If he calls for backup,
One side
we're-
farmer
ask-
in active pursuit.
Yeah.
Shot down Route 7.
Ask if he needs help. Ask
13.
if he needs help.
Sir, you need help? $174, 101. You need assistance with that?
Affirmative. We're at
Should I turn my lights on and get behind him? Be
just
like, I thought you needed
passing
help.
the, Sandy Hook.
Just be like, I'm gonna say, hey, would it help if they just stopped? Hey, would it help if that vehicle just stopped, sir?
No, I don't think it would.
All right.
Watch this. I'm gonna whip it around over here.
I Dice, appreciate you, bro. Go to sleep. Thank you, love
I
you,
want to
man.
get some distance on so I can turn my lights on. Here we go.
Hey, Zulu 1's trying to put spikes down at 7356.
Oh, we're about to get spiked by our own.
You just turn around, going the opposite, back up, going north.
It's like we know what it's like we know what kind
Hey,
of moves we're making.
101's here too. What's the description of that vehicle?
Watch this. I'm gonna get right here.
I believe it's Dan's vehicle. It's a gray 2-door.
Turn on your lights.
Smitty, you can bring him over here.
Oh, he crashed into the.
Oh no, he
We're
crashed.
gonna be at
Did he not see the
Take
lights?
the Sandy
058.
exit.
He's going back southbound again.
The Sandy exit?
What?
You should have, yeah.
Oh no. He said we're going southbound.
You don't have a
Zulu
clue.
1, we're going to try to put spikes out for you at 4002 southbound. lanes.
4002. Should we pull up
What a
there?
baby Steve. We should pull up on
He's
Senior.
not gonna be on Sonora Freeway.
What? Who's he chasing?
Who's he chasing?
Hold on. Who's guys? Who's he chasing?
Oh, my face hurts. Oh my god.
What's the description of the car you're chasing right now?
Yeah, I just lost eyes. It was a gray
just-
2-door.
2-door.
Alright, turn your lights on now.
I believe it was probably Dan. Looks like it looked like it was Dan's vehicle.
We'll pretend like none of this happened.
Roger, 147 is going to attach this call. When was the last time you saw him, or what postal?
It was just off of Route 13 coming onto the Sonoran Freeway exit.
Newbies.
Roger that. 147 is passing 4002. I'll keep an eye out for him.
Ask him what his location is.
What's your location? Maybe we can double team this.
Right now I'm 7354 and gonna head
he's
down
right
to
in front of us.
Route 13.
He's right.
Okay. Should I kill the lights or keep the lights going?
Keep him on. Keep him on so he gets more confused and then pretends like he didn't know the whole time, or he knew the whole time. Perfect. He should be around here somewhere.
Yeah, I thought Street had spikes out. I didn't see him at 4002.
Me either. Hey, 174, where you at, bro? Let's meet up. He's not answering me. Alright, you try. You try. For some reason, he doesn't know my voice.
174. Where you located right now? We're gonna try and meet up with you. Help you look for this car.
Why is he not answering now?
121 direct to 174.
Did he head pop?
Are you guys able to hear me?
Can now.
174 radio check.
You're 10-2 plus.
We can hear you now. What's your location?
3064, searching the area right now.
Oh my god, he drove right past us again.
How do we do that?
What up? What up, Rex?
He's coming up the highway to our right. He's coming up the highway to our right. You could cut the lights off. He'll come up right behind us. He's down there.
Yeah, he's getting ready to pull up.
I did not see on his blip that it's a different one. That's a Jeep.
Yeah, he's behind us.
behind
He's
him.
behind us. He's behind us.
Oh, that Jeep is fast, just so you know.
Yeah, I think they're chasing us, Doug.
Oh, he pulled off.
He
I
stopped.
think he realized it.
Oh my god.
This is like we're testing our patrol units out here.
Yeah, I like it. Is that streets to our left?
334, 331.
That is, I think so. Yeah.
Let's pull over there and tell him. I want to tell him so badly. What's up?
Good smart car to take
How you
out
doing, Colonel?
in the snow.
Hey, I'm good. How are you?
Not too bad.
Want to hear something funny?
Yeah.
He was chasing us.
You're about to spike us.
Get out of here.
I swear to you on my life, he called us a two-door gray vehicle or four-door, and it's kind of blue, but it's gray right now.
He did check the map and see your guys'
No,
ping.
watch
I
this.
just told
174, 101.
I just told Judd here.
Hey, can you meet me at Postal 3057, please?
I said, this is weird. Every time we're saying we're putting off spikes, these cars are turning off. There's something upstairs happening.
That's how.
That's funny.
We just, it was hilarious because we just kept whipping around and he lost us and we drove right past him.
No
and he
go
lost
down
us.
here. I got nothing.
Oh, it was too good. Oh, I was laughing so hard my face hurts.
That car's tough to drive in this weather.
Hey, I wasn't driving.
Ben's a great driver.
He's doing a great job.
It's not bad once it gets going. Like the initial takeoff sucks. You're gonna spin.
Yeah, but once it gets going, boy, that thing's like a rocket.
Yeah.
Traz, what you
German
doing? I don't
engineering.
see you on patrol too often. What you up to? Justice
come
for
out here
Baby
to,
Lover.
10, 12 of
What up,
my
Will?
boy streets.
Freaking pretty much. I missed pretty much the whole court scene. Oh,
See
yeah?
how you are.
I
Cheating
see
on
you.
me.
Hanging out with streets, I like you.
Some people like me, Colonel Judo. Some
I love you. I don't like you, I love you.
Anybody
I
else
love you
smell?
too, buddy.
It smells like a snitch on this side. Weird.
What's that?
Oh God, it
Here,
stinks
are
like
you in
it.
the beanie?
Yeah.
Oh, you look warm. What happened to your white shirt?
Hey, Street,
Well,
you
it's
smell that?
cold.
334, mic check.
Well, you can't use my line.
Didn't have this
Street,
one as
you
white.
smell that?
Yo, what's with this 174 dude? I told him
is
to come
that?
meet me here. He's not here.
That's what you call
I
it.
think he's embarrassed, to be honest with you.
Probably.
Snitch.
Is that
121
what
to
Pierce for?
174?
Is the,
Oh, landlord
to identify
snitch
that
right
you're
here.
the snitch?
Go for 174.
The landlord snitch right here.
Could
Snitch
you meet
going
us at
forward.
Postal
That's what it is.
30,
Oh my God.
37 on the north bound route 13?
Boy.
Copy that.
Look, he
In
has
route.
multiple antennas up here for different channels.
Dog, was he ignoring me?
He is.
I think he realized what happened, and he's too scared to come talk to you.
Well,
I can't wait. I'm gonna love every second of it. This is about to
We'll
be
say
fun.
we found the vehicle. We'll say we found the vehicle.
Yeah, it's a vehicle. Tell him get in it. And
Hey,
search
hey,
it.
It's a
hey,
van.
hey, I'll get behind you with the lights on. We'll have
Yeah,
Street
yeah,
still
yeah,
leave
yeah,
on the
yeah,
video.
yeah.
Do it.
Oh God.
Are we getting in? Are we getting in?
Should we get in?
I don't care.
That way.
I don't think he's coming, dog.
He says on his way.
Yeah, he told me he was on his way too. I don't think he's coming, dog.
Sir, I need you to put your hands down.
Oh, I know how you cops are. You just like to shoot.
Oh, well, we usually like to shoot in the back. I don't do this side
174,
normally.
101.
Oh. Hey, watch this
Go
guy.
ahead.
There's always bees around him, so if they do,
Hey,
I
what's your
understand you
ETA
wanna
to this
start
location?
I'm at 3057, but it looks like I'm just across the way from you, so I'm literally about
There
maybe
he
30
comes.
seconds.
shooting. He's coming off road.
10-4.
See this? He should be popping over this hill. There he is.
Oh my gosh, look at him.
Oh my God.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Right in front of the
just
colonel
roll.
and everything. Like,
Rolled over it.
Hey, Colonel Judo, I think that
sir.
car's done. You're gonna have to spend about 20 grand to fix it.
Yeah.
This is a commercial
so
for
too.
Tahoe?
he just parks it like a rock.
Is this the
Hey,
vehicle you're looking
is
for,
this your
sir?
vehicle?
Yeah. Yep, that's it.
You want to arrest them all?
Hey, you want to see my underglow?
Really?
Yo, can I get a pickup?
Wow. I did not see the blue dot.
Right.
You're
Oh,
wearing
we were
just-
laughing so
Jesus
hard.
Christ, could this night get any worse for me?
Hey,
Seriously.
it was a good chase. I'm gonna tell you. You're
I
doing
searched
good.
an attorney, found a handgun on him, and then I get this. This is wow. And then look where I come from right here. Look right here.
This is
Might have just flew in. That would have been better, right?
Did you get paid by Chevy to do a Tahoe commercial?
Oh yeah.
I mean,
Like
I
a
gotta take
rock.
picture.
Right there, like
Do
a
you mind-
rock.
Do you mind reading your rights to Colonel Judo for me?
Yeah, go
Oh
ahead.
my goodness gracious.
FBI will take this investigation over.
Yeah, I've been called TSA, and I can't imagine
about
what
to
you guys
post
are
this
gonna
in
come up with
chat.
this after this.
Super duper
No.
paratrooper.
No.
So, anyways,
what's
we
your
were just
super-
driving along. Next thing, this
Can I get a
Chevy
10-12,
Tahoe wanted
please?
to
I'm
pull
at
us
the
over, and
hospital.
just the craziest crap happened. We just turned around and then turned around and then turned around. And
Can I
then-
ask, when
Yeah.
the person knew I was chasing them, why they didn't stop? Just out of curiosity.
We asked if you wanted us to stop.
We did ask you if you wanted us. We
See,
did.
I thought somebody was flipping me
You
some more
said
crap,
no.
so you think it would be easier if they just stopped. It was they, not a, not. You think it would be easier
Well,
if
there's
we
three-
just
there-
stopped?
there's
Yeah.
well, that's
He wasn't driving. He was passing.
semantics.
Yeah, I got you. All right.
I literally said, would it be easier if they just stopped? Because technically they was driving, but I was not.
I got, yeah.
And then you were
Yeah.
like, no.
My pronouns is they.
honestly, thought you were being a smart ass. That's why I said no.
I kind of was. I mean, you were halfway there.
I mean, it's like.
Can somebody give
Yeah,
me a
throw up-
ride? I need a 1012.
Oh my goodness gracious!
Oh.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for
Oh.
making me feel even like I was 2 install, but now I'm 1 install.
Well,
it's
wait,
been so
wait
slow
until you
tonight,
see
we
SA's
needed
Hey,
in
this
chat
Cohen,
in a
if
second.
you give me a couple seconds, I can pick you
I'm
up.
glad I could
'cause
appreciate
I'm
the.
on a traffic stop.
What makes
Yeah, it was
worse
fun. I'm not gonna lie,
is
that was fun.
We came off that bridge, and then I got behind
I'm
you and
gonna
turned
post
my
this.
lights on and came by you.
Oh my goodness,
And
dude!
you
I
still called me out.
I had a cement
Where's my
truck
shit? How
hit
do I
me.
get
I was
food
trying to
truck?
turn around because you were sitting in the median, and I went to whip around
we
and the
saw
damn
that.
cement truck.
Me with a
You
suspect,
hit the
and now
cement
he's
truck.
not uncovering
He
me.
didn't hit you.
Nope, we got someone handcuffed. We have officer.
No,
handcuffed.
no, cement.
We got an officer handcuffed for real? Oh.
Well, how did he call that out over radio?
Oh God, what did I do?
What's
Wait,
the status
what?
of this
I
officer?
didn't
being
hear it.
handcuffed?
I didn't hear an officer handcuff.
Do you want a 7-day hold on this vehicle?
I want to do an
Guys,
indefinite
Santa,
hold on this vehicle.
Yes.
Get a cop.
Everybody's getting a felony because you all have firearms.
We have a weapons license.
Crime.
You know what? I'd be interested to see if you guys do have weapons
Oh,
license.
I do. Hold on.
I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. I just. Oh, you don't have a picture though.
I don't even know how to do that. You would have to teach me, and I'm not good with technology. So there's that.
You got it. You were at the courthouse. You could have done it there.
Oh, for the love of God! Now you tell me.
Well, I was too busy searching lawyers up there for guns, and you know, I didn't realize I was gonna have to tell you that.
Very well. Very well. Well, I didn't know how to tell you were chasing the cop either, but here we are.
Yeah. Hey, I guess. Well, that was fun.
Hey,
Appreciate it,
someone take my
guys.
picture.
Oh.
Your entry into here was what was fun.
Someone take my picture.
Couldn't believe that. Hey, you want me to get up there? Hey, I'm not ashamed of it. I'll take one with you.
Yeah. I just wanted one with the car.
Look at this, dude. Look at this. Dude.
Work it. Work it.
Whoa!
my
Whoa!
Best park job ever, right there. Just saying.
You get him?
That
I
dude
got a
was
picture of
getting
the
it.
plate.
All right, let's go. All right, 174. You're off the hook today.
Thanks everybody for the laugh.
You're welcome. Have a good
You
shift,
guys
buddy.
got one, too.
See ya. That was hilarious.
Did he go off the ramp here?
Yeah, he
No,
did.
I believe he went left.
Left? Oh gosh. Hold on tight.
Hey, FYI, I came in like a wrecking ball with that, just so you know.
Came in like a
Did he say
wrecking
Nice.
ball.
Did he say wrecking ball or rectum ball?
Wrecking ball. Wrecking ball.
Is it up here? Is it
That was a freaking motorcycle behind us flying.
10-2.
that one?
41, 10-8, 10-12 with
What's that turd doing?
161 known as T1.
It is icy out here, dang it.
What is it? He's going. Uh-oh.
Yeah, he ain't stopping.
We just as a heads up, we are in what I believe I heard is the territory of the Green
Yeah.
Chess
yeah.
Club, right?
No, they don't call themselves Chase Club. They call themselves a gang.
Oh, they do?
Yeah. Green Gang's
Oh,
their
he just
name.
zipped around. Where did he
Wait,
go?
which way? Left or right? Left or right?
I don't know.
Straight,
He
I
went
think,
left.
but did he?
I think he went left up here. Him's gone.
He just whipped it behind us. I heard him go by.
Yeah, he's going back down Joshua towards Joshua, I bet. Gang, baby. That's right. Damn it.
Yeah,
I
we
hate
can
when
let
people
that
say
one go.
chess club. It annoys me. Just be a gang. I never understood that.
He's got to be a really good driver to be able to drive on this stuff.
No
Yeah, he
kidding.
was pretty good. I'll give him that.
Ben, did you see the other night whenever we had old Bobby Breeze pulled over that like I had to?
There he is. I want to shoot out his damn tire. Now he stops.
Somebody.
Oh.
Your stop. Let's go. It's your stop, sir.
Sorry, I just want to make a snow angel.
I was wondering what the heck you were doing.
the bike off from me real quick? Hey. It's awful loud in my ears.
Not a
It's on mine too.
Hey,
It's
how
only
you
thing
doing?
keeping me warm, but I'm good. How about you?
I got you, buddy. I got you.
He looks like that
You're
lawyer.
a cop, by the way. I
Bees.
did
Oh.
not know that before we even start this interaction.
Oh, you didn't
No?
hear the siren when I
No, sir.
bleeped it
That's
out?
What up,
why it's
Diabetic
loud.
Gamer? Thank you for the follow.
But continue,
loud.
sir. I didn't mean to cut you off.
Call the girl
I'll
from the
let you
court.
do your thing.
Ah, do I have
Oh,
your
you're good.
number?
Okay, I understand the mishap here. You have your license
I
registration.
mean, I gave her mine, but I didn't take hers.
Yeah.
113 to Oaks.
Yeah, if you don't mind slide that over to you for me.
Oh,
Go ahead.
What am I doing, guys?
Yes, sir.
Where's my
And
card?
we're gonna be coming to you here
Jake
shortly.
Williams?
Yeah.
Just to clarify,
I
did
do
he have
not-
anything from the house robbery
I'm
on
not
his
safe
person?
for a number.
I tell you what, if you want to help me
Negative.
out a little bit on this, you want to hop
No
off
gold
and
chains, anything
kinda
like
warm
that?
your hands up next to it. Sit for me.
Negative.
While I run your information. Yeah, there you go. I got. Oh, you put that down. I got that. I'm gonna run your information.
334 Zulu 30.
All right.
So,
Oh, birds. Hold on.
so What are you out doing this fine afternoon, Mr.
334 to
Williams?
Cohen.
Oh, well, I was gonna go to Toledo Bay and
All
get
right,
my job changed to go be a trucker,
1186. You can charge her for the burglary because his partner's got the burglary.
I'm trying to get her number. I just put it in the
They're working
skybox. You
together
guys
to
can't
rob
see it because my
break into the
camera's
house.
over it. Because people use the skybox a lot and it gets annoying.
We'll be
So
there shortly
I
if
put
you
my
need help
camera
before
over
you
it.
send them off. We'll make sure you got all the charges on.
Let's see if she answers me.
Never.
Yeah. So, when did you realize that we were police officers?
Before or after you passed us with our lights on?
Yeah.
Right when I came up alongside you, and then
Just now?
lit your lights on. Yeah.
Oh, what about over there?
No, I thought you were actually chasing me because of a road rage incident. I just flew. I can't really look back when on a bike. You kind of gotta look.
No,
forward,
you can't. I don't. Well,
Yeah, I got you.
Jade.
Bob and
I don't know how to do that, so.
I never seen a car
I mean,
cop car look like
it goes away.
It's pretty
Oh, there we go. I found it.
It's pretty. It's gorgeous. I'll give you that. Not
Oh.
gonna suck up this nice looking car.
Oops, why did I just do that?
Arlington 201.
Yeah.
Well,
Dude,
let's.
you have the same hat as Eddie.
Yeah, no. I mean, it's a popular hat at the store. It's really keeps my ears warm. What about
Mine too.
yours?
Yeah, it keeps mine warm too.
How fast does this thing go?
Let me see here. Can I paste this somewhere else?
He said, how'd you know that it goes that fast?
Arlington to 201.
Alright, Mr.
I
Williams.
legally found that out.
Real quick, I see that you have an active firearms license. Do you actually have a firearm at you at this time?
I don't have a firearm license. I'd love to get one. Or maybe do I?
334 to T1.
Go ahead.
That's the wrong phone number.
Or were you the one that was calling for 201?
What the heck?
No, that was Slithers, brother.
Oh, my apologies. 334 to that unit that was calling for 201. He's in LSPD radio.
Hello?
10-4, thank you.
Hello.
Oh, hey, it's Colonel Judo.
Oh, hey.
What do you mean, oh, hey?
I can see you.
Why is she in your car, Streets?
I'm just a passenger princess today, sir.
Were you threatened to kill me after court?
I was threatening to speak with you.
But you're speaking to me now. How's that a threat?
Nice one.
Well, I mean, it wasn't really a threat. I was just I want to get you away from your goons over there,
And then what?
so you can tell me the truth.
The truth about what?
That you love me.
Oh, so you weren't threatening to murder me because you said I'm gonna make sure no other girls, you don't ever to be able to do this to another girl again, is what you said.
Yes, that's what I said.
Was that a threat to murder me?
Do you feel threatened?
I mean, kind of.
Okay, just sit in that feeling for a little bit.
What's that mean?
That means that you need to sit there and feel how I feel.
334 Zulu 30.
I don't know how you feel.
You should,
Why?
because you take me on a date, you give me your phone number, you tell me I can call you anytime, you buy me maple syrup,
Wait, when did I buy you maple syrup?
brought me
syrup's
maple
so
syrup. When you put me in handcuffs that second time.
So while putting you in cuffs, I went to the store and got maple syrup.
You had it on you. I think you were looking for me.
I'm so confused. I don't recall any of that.
Yeah, well, guess who's delusional? Not me.
What do you mean?
Anybody gonna pick me up?
You
Going on that
conveniently
MRPD
forget
waiting for
everything.
you.
You arrest me.
Well,
you take
I'm
me
at
to
the
court. You
hospital.
treat me like crap.
Oh, if
And you still want to be with me?
I want you to admit that you're in love with me.
That's not the question I asked.
Well, I don't know. This FBI agent's being pretty nice.
All right, you want me to tell you the truth?
Yeah, tell me the truth.
All right, I'll tell you the truth. Just hang on
I
one
think you
second.
just passed me, dude.
Let me just think this through. What should I tell you?
I'm not at Central Hospital yet. I'm
Feeling
arriving
a lot
in
of
like 5 seconds.
tension here.
Okay, 10-4.
No, tell your goons to go away. Because you act different when they're around.
No, hold on.
Who is back there?
Hey, the
Hey, look, it's Viv, and there, she's riding with F the Fed boys.
T1's
Hey,
around
you know
with
what? We just
proposal.
stopped by U-Tool, and in the back of our trunk, we got a whole bunch
we
of
have
syrup.
some
Would you like some?
LSPD here, but not much.
So you bought me more syrup.
334.
Pancake
No,
Wednesday.
he didn't buy it. We bought it
T1s
for
are
a
out.
Pancake Wednesday.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Everyone's about to go down over there.
Oh
See
man,
that?
that was
Did
bad.
you see that?
Oh my god.
It's because of low visibility.
All right.
Hey,
All
Colonel,
right. Yes, sir.
Colonel Judo, FBI doesn't usually
advised there's a bank
offer
robbery
this,
at
but we'll make an
7109.
exception. If you two need to go on a date, we can be a security
Copy
detail.
that. We can be
for
en
you.
route as well from the
I
city.
do have one important question.
Yes, sir.
Was it Aunt Jemima, Mrs. Butterworths, or Log Cabin?
That's the question for
They're
Uh-huh.
her.
gonna have
No,
two
it was
trucks
that
and two small
pure
cars.
goodness sugar candy Canadian syrup.
Ooh, the Canadian, the good stuff.
You got the good stuff, eh?
Ah.
Apparently.
334.
All right, I'll tell you the truth. Are you ready?
Charlie
Yeah.
32, Charlie 10, we're 1023 as
We
well.
legitimately took you on a go-kart ride.
On a date.
No, just let me. This is my truth, Kay. Let me speak my truth. All right. You got to say your piece to de-escalate the situation and to see if you were crazy, and we determined that you kind of were. And so, no, I never told you I was in love with you, and I don't know where you came up with that.
I am not crazy.
Here we go. Here we go. You're on your own.
What do you mean?
Look, it's getting good now.
I am not crazy.
How not? I'd never.
You tell me. You tell me you give a domestic violence victim your phone number and
Ask
tell
her
her
out.
she
Popcorn?
can call you
Fine.
anytime
Fine,
that she
Allie.
wants,
All
and
right.
then
Get
you
your phone
take
out.
her
This is
out
World Star-
and you make her
World
feel
Star
loved
material.
and cared
Oh,
for,
yeah, hold on. I
and
think I got
then you buy into her fantasy
Fine.
and give her
Fine.
maple syrup, and you don't think that doesn't mean anything?
Oh, this is going on Murray.
She's so tall.
All right,
I'm
fine.
intimidated.
Here's what I have to say to that. Okay.
I'm gonna need you to stand downhill for me.
Yeah, she is very tall. It's making me feel short.
Very
You get, I
tall.
get a complex around you. But
Jerry,
the fact is,
Jerry,
I think that we
Jerry.
should go on a one-on-one date.
Rookies
Would you
now
go out
see.
with me?
Oh.
I feel so short
Wait,
over here.
are you asking me out again?
Wait, did she?
Again, I've never asked you out before. This is the first time ever.
You're really gonna ask me out?
I just did.
Catch the news, Mike.
You got 4 witnesses here.
Did that just happen?
Are you serious?
flag.
Colonel, you think
Yes.
this is a good idea?
Where's the boom mic? I can't really hear all this.
See, I knew you loved
Rookie,
me.
get the boom mic out of
Let me
the
roll
Did
one
not
of
say
those.
that.
Hold on.
I did not say that. I'm
Okay,
just-
yes, I'll go on a date with you. Yes.
Okay. Oh, awesome. All right. Thank you.
Oh, we didn't pick that up. The audio didn't pick it up. Hold on. He's getting the boom mic out.
He's getting the. She already answered. I'm not asking her again.
We just
Okay.
need her answer.
We'll plan it for this
Oh, there
week.
we go.
sometime, Okay.
Got it. Go ahead, say again.
Okay.
All right.
What was
But
your
you
answer
have to
again?
admit that you're a tad bit crazy.
Oh boy.
Yeah, but you have to admit that you kind of like that about me.
Yeah. So the people that I'm into with, it's like there's a threat that they might stab me in my sleep, and I'm totally into that.
So
I knew
I
it.
know. So real quick, this isn't getting spicy. It's just getting sticky.
Like maple syrup?
Guys,
Yeah, I'm into maple
Colonel,
syrup.
do you think this is a good idea?
No, I think it's a horrible idea. That's why it's great.
Colonel,
This is for training purposes only.
100% training purposes only.
Yep.
Nothing else to it.
All right. Well, you got my number. Call me.
Yes, ma'am.
You got my number. Call me.
You can call me Colonel
I'm gonna put this
Riz.
back in your car, guys.
Okay.
Yeah, let me put this back in there. Back here too.
Yep.
Takes notes on Sarah Jones' game. Riz, bro.
Colonel,
Yeah.
Colonel, she's got manslaughter.
I know. I just
real
wanted to
quick,
prove that I
that-
had Riz. What are you talking about?
That camera said Viv on the side of it, so I'd just be prepared to say.
Oh,
Yeah.
why did you film that? And why did you get a boom mic?
They wanted the boom mic. The FBI asked for a boom mic.
Hey, hold on. I mean, this is a question you need to ask. Why have those weirdos got that type of
Yeah,
equipment?
do
in their Jeep?
you think they're
Well-
running a sting on you?
They're Fed boys. What do you expect?
They might be running a sting on you, Colonel.
Oh, they
my
just killed that
God,
bird.
that was
We need to call
wild.
wildlife.
We do. We
Yeah.
do.
We really do.
147 inning available wildlife.
Oh my God.
Go ahead.
Put you in a hole and
Can I
tell
get you
you
to
to
post
put
those
social
3036? Possible animal situation.
Can't wait for you to meet my wife.
Animal
Rex, you're gonna
situation?
understand my
You
last
say-
sentence I said to her.
Wouldn't it be just a?
Just a dead bird. Hey, should
Murder?
I shoot it while he's standing next to it?
Yeah, you should.
I gotta get to where the ricochet won't hit him though. Hey, I don't know. That bird's still flapping.
Yeah, it looks like it's flapping still.
Oh, all right. Oh no! 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 Whoop. Well, if I'm gonna whack him,
Do CPR on me. Do
all right.
CPR on
The
me.
bird's dead.
Ricky, do CPR on me.
Hurry up! Do CPR on him. Hurry up. God, I hate that when you go to shoot stand next, somebody does that.
I got a good rhythm.
Staying alive. Staying alive.
Ah, Allie, I want you to know this is all your fault.
Staying alive.
Just want you to know. And Seawell, can you give Allie a shout out, please?
Whoa. Thank you, buddy.
Get the Alley Cat a shout out, please. Allie's a great, amazing
We have a
RPer.
murder
I love her
scene.
dearly. She's
We
amazing.
have a murder scene.
We did not. We do know who did it though.
Is that the state bird?
The Fed boys ran it over, and that's the state
Zulu
bird.
won. Zulu won.
The Fed boys, yes, Fed
Mr.
boys.
Streets. Mr. Street. I gotta have to talk to him.
You just start saying over and over. Normally works way.
And who was driving? What Zulu was that? Those driving guys? Do we know?
Sure that.
Can I take a picture of that? Do you guys see? Like, are the wings still moving to you guys?
Not in my eyes.
Yeah, so that
Drew, I
was
think
that
they
was
still
Travis. That was Travis driving.
Oh, it's Travis. It was
Yeah,
Travis.
Agent
driving,
Judd.
yeah. Agent Judd, for your report. And
Exactly.
they just left. It was a hit and run.
Look at the tire marks. Those match a Jeep. To
Yeah,
me.
exactly.
If I was to guess, they
If
match
I
a
was to
Jeep.
guess, it was a Jeep Wrangler 4-door with a little
Yep.
roof rack.
Jeep Wrangler.
Three occupants.
You know what I mean? And there's definitely no bullet.
There's a pistol casing.
No, there's not. No, there's not.
Oh,
Yep.
Mind your business, trooper.
There's
fell out of my
there's
pocket.
there's no longer a bullet casing. I must have missaw something.
It fell out of my
Yeah,
back pocket.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so
There's evidence for another case.
Kaz, you got this.
I got
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I spent
Agent
about
Judd.
10 years. Hold on, I
Yes,
spent
Agent
10
Judd.
years
Wrangler
on the
4-door.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Roof rack, and Streets is the passenger, and the back seat is a convicted felon. That
Yeah,
is just
convicted felon.
riding with him.
So
Just committed manslaughter.
I'm not going no dang,
again
y'all.
on a
Y'all
bird.
wild. I do
Yeah.
not do that.
Just so you know, I spent 10
But I
years
love
on the
it.
Indian reservation. So hold on, I can tell you everything. I just got to read the bird's mind.
Oh, look, there's blood over here from the bird. Oh, actually, no. I'm going to collect that
Yep.
too. You didn't see that?
Definitely a bluish color Jeep Wrangler.
Got
Hold
that.
on. Talk to me, bird. Talk to me, bird. 4-door, 2 FBI agents.
Fly like an eagle. That's what it's saying.
Yep, one
That's what's
female in the
talking
back.
Oh, female in the back. Okay.
Yep. Weird camera. Wait, hold on. Camera and a boom
Keep it
mic
moving,
in the back,
ma'am. Keep it moving.
Excuse you.
and they were headed that way.
Get a move on for
Hey,
God's sake.
watch your language. Oh,
Hey.
God. God bless it. I'm trying to kick her car.
144th back.
Sorry.
Citation given.
I'm just hitting everybody today.
I'm gonna be honest. I don't think the bird
There's some more. There's some more evidence I gotta pick up. You guys didn't see that either. All right, guys.
Yep, he's gone.
Let me know how the case goes.
We will. Don't forget to pick up your barrier. Otherwise,
Allie, you're the
Sure.
devil.
We'll
I
wreck
can't
out.
believe you set me up for that. From the red
We're
flag.
taking
on
the
this
bird
plane.
for evidence.
Scuba.
I don't
This is
know.
getting out of hand.
Let me see
I
if
gotta
can.
shut it down.
Do an autopsy.
I can't third eye it.
I don't see that.
Got my hunting license on? Should be able to third. Oh, I don't. That's why.
You're too much. You're too much. Let's see here.
Steve, you got a hunting license
It's
on you?
for sure almost. Oh, what the
You
heck?
can third eye that bird. There you go.
Almost my bedtime, yo.
174 to 101.
From the beginning,
Uh-oh.
we've dreamed of creating a better future.
Go ahead, sir.
Hey, if you can let me know where that
doesn't
picture's going to
matter.
be at, I'd appreciate it so I can use it for a wallpaper.
Yeah, 10-4, I got your back.
My cousins picked
Appreciate
up a
you.
lot of roadkill.
Thank you so much. Be safe.
Tell me all the time.
No, she
Four.
doesn't.
109, 101.
I'll be able to smoke that.
Go ahead,
bird. It'd
sir.
be probably pretty tasty.
I mean, it is a hawk. It's
What
a
picture?
hawk.
I'm gonna post it in our
it's already
Discordian
dead,
SASP
so-
chat.
I mean, I'm just using it for food now.
Wait, so that means they killed a endangered animal?
Oh, don't be jealous now.
I'm going through a tunnel. I got bad
I pulled
service.
this off the bird.
What's that?
There.
Oh my God. Let's go.
There's actually a chicken.
That's amazing. I love that. All right, y'all. I got to end my stream here. I got to go to bed, but I'm going to send you guys Rookie Patton so you can keep hanging out with him. I appreciate it, all you guys. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Thanks for hanging out for the whole entire thing. Have a good one.